Cosmic Particle, Book 3 from the core series, written by Nkennard, narrated by Nkennard. This is the third book in the core series. If you haven't already, listen to books 1 and 2 audiobook. Both books are available on the Storydepths YouTube channel. Audiobook partner Storydepths available only on YouTube. All rights reserved. The characters and events portrayed in this book are fictitious. Any similarity to real persons, living or dead, is coincidental and not intended by the author. No part of this book may be reproduced or stored in a retrieval system or transmitted in any form or by any means, electronic, mechanical, photocopying, recording, or otherwise, without express written permission of the author. Prologue: The Descent, the core book 2. In the vast expanse of uncharted realms beneath the Earth's surface, the Quorum Project embarks on a daring journey that defies the limits of human exploration. It all begins with the enigmatic Mount Dent, a formidable gateway into the depths of the planet. As the team navigates through the intricate cave-like pathways within the Earth's crust, they encounter a myriad of challenges, from the relentless heat to the unknown perils lurking in the subterranean darkness. The Quorum ship, a marvel of human engineering, becomes a vessel of discovery as it penetrates the layers of the Earth's crust. The team, led by the visionary Alexander Hawk, delves into the heart of the planet, driven by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and a thirst for uncovering the secrets that lie beneath. The journey through the Earth's crust is not without its tribulations. The team faces the daunting task of overcoming extreme temperatures, drilling through rock-solid barriers, and navigating treacherous subterranean landscapes. Each step forward is a triumph over the mysteries that have eluded humanity for centuries. As the ship advances, the team stumbles upon an unexpected phenomenon, a vast hollow space that transcends conventional understanding. This empty expanse, suspended between the outer and inner cores, becomes a canvas for scientific inquiry and speculation. The crew, awestruck by the beauty and vastness of this cosmic void, grapples with the implications of their discovery. The outer core, a molten sea of minerals and heat, presents new challenges and revelations. The ship, suspended in the emptiness between the layers, witnesses the intricate dance of energetic waves flowing from the inner core. It's a breathtaking spectacle, a celestial ballet unseen by human eyes until this moment. As the team halts their journey temporarily, they embark on a quest of simulations and analyses, seeking to unravel the mysteries of the energetic waves shaping the Earth's core dynamics. The implications of their findings ripple through the scientific community, challenging established beliefs and opening doors to a deeper understanding of our planet's inner workings. This is not just a scientific expedition. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest for knowledge that transcends the boundaries of Earth itself. In the unexplored depths, Alexander Hawk and his team stand on the precipice of cosmic revelations that have the potential to reshape our understanding of the planet and propel humanity into a new era of discovery. The prologue sets the stage for the unfolding saga, where each discovery is a step closer to unraveling the profound secrets hidden within the Earth's core. Chapter 1: The Seed of Ambition. In the quiet solitude of their country home, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush forests, Alexander Hawk's childhood was steeped in wonder and imagination. His father, a brilliant scientist with a passion for exploration, nurtured his son's curious mind with tales of distant galaxies, ancient civilizations, and the mysteries of the cosmos. From a young age, Hawk found himself captivated by his father's stories, tales of far-off planets and alien landscapes that sparked his imagination and filled him with a sense of awe. Together, they would spend countless nights gazing up at the stars, tracing the constellations and pondering the secrets of the universe. But it was not just the wonders of space that fascinated Hawk. It was the boundless potential of human ingenuity to unlock its mysteries. His father, a visionary thinker ahead of his time, instilled in him a deep sense of ambition and a belief that anything was possible with determination and innovation. In their cozy study, lined with shelves of books and scientific journals, father and son would spend hours immersed in discussions about physics, astronomy, and the nature of reality itself. Hawk's father would eagerly share his latest theories and discoveries, igniting a spark of curiosity in his young son that would burn brightly for years to come. As the fire crackled softly in the hearth, casting flickering shadows across the cozy study, Alexander Hawk sat cross-legged on the rug, his young eyes shining with curiosity as he listened to his father's tales of the cosmos. "Tell me more about the stars, father," Hawk said eagerly, his voice barely above a whisper in the quiet room. His father, a tall, imposing figure with a gentle smile and eyes that sparkled with intelligence, looked down at his son with a fondness tinged with pride. "Ah, the stars," he said, his voice rich with warmth and wonder. "They hold so many secrets, Alexander, each one a sun, burning bright with the energy of 1,000 lifetimes." Hawk leaned in closer, his ears attuned to every word. "What kind of secrets, father? Do the stars hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe?" His father chuckled softly, a twinkle of amusement in his eyes. "Perhaps, my boy, perhaps," he said cryptically. "You see, the stars are not just distant points of light in the sky. They are the engines of creation, the furnaces that forge the very fabric of reality." Hawk's brow furrowed in confusion. "But how is that possible, father? How can something so far away have such a profound impact on the world?" His father knelt down beside him, his expression grave yet filled with a sense of awe. "It's all a matter of energy, Alexander," he explained. "Cosmic energy, to be precise. The same energy that fuels the stars and powers the galaxies. It flows through the universe like a river, shaping worlds and weaving the very tapestry of existence." Hawk's eyes widened in fascination. "And do you think we'll ever be able to harness that energy ourselves, father? To tap into the power of the cosmos and unlock its secrets?" His father smiled, a knowing glint in his eyes. "Who's to say, my boy? The possibilities are endless. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We must tread carefully, for the forces we seek to harness are far greater than we can imagine." As they sat together in the quiet glow of the fire, father and son, lost in conversation about the wonders of the universe, Alexander Hawk felt a sense of awe and excitement stirring within him. Little did he know, his journey of discovery was only just beginning. Hawk looked up at his father, his eyes alight with curiosity. "Father, why do we search for energy in the distant stars? What about our own star, the sun? Isn't it a source of boundless energy as well?" His father's brows furrowed in contemplation, a thoughtful expression crossing his face. "You raise an interesting point, Alexander," he mused. "Indeed, our sun is a star in its own right, albeit a rather ordinary one compared to some of the giants that dot the cosmos." Hawk leaned forward, eager for his father's insights. "But father, if our own sun is a source of energy, why don't we harness its power instead of searching for it elsewhere?" His father smiled indulgently, a hint of pride in his eyes at his son's astute observation. "Ah, if only it were that simple, my boy," he said. "You see, while the sun does indeed radiate vast amounts of energy, getting close enough to harness it is another matter entirely." Hawk's brow furrowed in confusion. "What do you mean, father? Why can't we just fly a spaceship close to the sun and collect its energy?" His father chuckled softly, shaking his head. "It's not quite that easy, Alexander. The sun's surface is a seething cauldron of plasma with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius. Any spacecraft that ventured too close would be incinerated in an instant." Hawk's eyes widened in realization. "And what about the radiation and gravity?" he asked. "Wouldn't those pose additional challenges?" His father nodded gravely. "Indeed they would, my son," he said. "The sun's intense radiation would fry any unprotected electronics, and its immense gravity would crush any spacecraft that strayed too close. Harnessing the power of the sun is a task fraught with peril, one that would require technology far beyond our current capabilities." Hawk pondered his father's words for a moment, a thoughtful expression crossing his face. "But what if there was another way, father?" he said, his voice tinged with excitement. "What if we could tap into the energy of our own planet, harnessing the power of its core to fuel our civilization?" His father's eyes widened in surprise, a spark of inspiration igniting within them. "By Jove, Alexander, I think you're onto something," he said, his voice filled with enthusiasm. "What if? What if the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe lies right here beneath our feet? And so, Fueled by his son's insight and his own boundless ambition, Alexander Hawk's father embarked on a secret project, one that would seek to uncover the mysteries of the Earth's core and harness its power for the betterment of humanity. Little did they know, their journey would take them to the very heart of the cosmos and beyond. Dr. Jonathan Hawk sat alone in his study, the soft glow of lamplight casting long shadows across the room. His mind buzzed with the weight of his son's question, echoing endlessly in his thoughts like a mantra. What if? What if the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe lies right here beneath our feet? The words had struck a chord within him, igniting a spark of inspiration that refused to be extinguished. For years, Dr. Hawk had dedicated his life to the study of geothermal energy, delving into the depths of the Earth in search of answers. But his son's question had opened up a whole new realm of possibilities, one that promised to revolutionize their understanding of the cosmos. As Alexander grew older, the conversation faded from his memory, buried beneath the weight of other concerns and distractions. But for Dr. Hawk, it remained a beacon of hope, a guiding light in the darkness of uncertainty. In secret, Dr. Hawk began to devote himself to his son's question, poring over old research papers, studying geological surveys, and delving into ancient texts in search of clues. He worked tirelessly, his passion driving him forward, even when the odds seemed insurmountable. Slowly but surely, a picture began to emerge from the chaos of data and speculation. Dr. Hawk uncovered evidence of strange anomalies deep within the Earth's crust, anomalies that defied conventional explanation and hinted at something far greater lurking beneath the surface. With each new discovery, Dr. Hawk's determination only grew stronger. He knew he was onto something big, something that could change the course of human history forever. And though the road ahead was fraught with danger and uncertainty, he pressed on, fueled by the memory of his son's innocent question and the promise it held. As the years passed, Dr. Hawk's secret project grew in scope and ambition, drawing the attention of like-minded scientists and researchers from around the world. Together, they worked tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of the Earth's core, driven by a shared vision of unlocking the secrets of the universe itself. And though Alexander Hawk had long since forgotten the conversation he had with his father that fateful day, the seeds of his curiosity had taken root in ways neither of them could have imagined. For unbeknownst to him, his question had set into motion a chain of events that would shape the destiny of humanity for generations to come. As Alexander Hawk grew older, his thirst for knowledge only intensified. He devoured books on advanced mathematics, quantum mechanics, and astrophysics, eager to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and follow in his father's footsteps. With each new revelation, he felt a sense of purpose stirring within him, a desire to push the boundaries of human understanding and leave his mark on the world. But it was not just intellectual curiosity that drove Hawk. It was a deep-seated belief in the power of science and exploration to shape the course of human destiny. His father had instilled in him a sense of responsibility, a duty to use his gifts and talents to make a difference in the world and push the boundaries of what was possible. And so, as he stood beneath the starry night sky, with the vast expanse of the cosmos stretching out before him, Alexander Hawk made a silent vow to honor his father's legacy and reach for the stars. Little did he know, his journey of discovery was only just beginning. As the years passed, and as Jonathan Hawk's health began to decline, he knew that his time was running short. But before he passed away, he called his son, Alexander, to his bedside, a glimmer of urgency in his eyes. "Alex, my son," he began, his voice barely a whisper against the backdrop of the silent room. "There's something I need to tell you." Alexander leaned in closer, his heart heavy with the weight of impending loss. "What is it, Dad? You know you can tell me anything." Dr. Hawk took a shaky breath, gathering his strength for what he knew would be his final revelation. "I've been working on a secret project, something that could change the course of humanity's future," he confessed, his words tinged with a sense of urgency. Alexander's eyes widened in surprise, his mind racing with possibilities. "What kind of project, Dad? What are you talking about?" Dr. Hawk's gaze bore into his son's, a mixture of pride and determination shining in his weary eyes. "I've been studying the Earth's core, Alex. There's a power there, a cosmic energy unlike anything we've ever seen before. And I believe that with the right knowledge, we can unlock its secrets and harness its boundless potential for the betterment of humanity. Alexander's mind reeled at the enormity of his father's revelation. The Earth's core? Cosmic energy? It was beyond anything he could have imagined. But as he looked into his father's eyes, he knew that this was no idle fantasy. It was a legacy, a promise that he had to uphold. "I promise, Dad," Alexander vowed, his voice thick with emotion. "I'll carry on with your work. I'll continue our quest to uncover the mysteries of cosmic energy and explore the depths of the Earth's core." Dr. Hawk nodded, a sense of peace washing over him as he squeezed his son's hand one last time. "Remember, Alex," he whispered, his words a final plea. "Don't limit your capabilities. When the time comes, break all the rules and explore the depths for cosmic energy. Humanity's future depends on it." With those words ringing in his ears, Alexander Hawk made a solemn vow to his father, to carry on his legacy, to push the boundaries of human knowledge, and to never stop until the secrets of the universe lay bare before him. And with a heavy heart and a determined spirit, he set out to fulfill that promise, carrying the torch of discovery into the unknown depths of the planet and beyond. Years had passed since the death of Dr. Jonathan Hawk, leaving his son, Alexander Hawk, to navigate the world without his guiding hand. It was during a time of great turmoil, as the world grappled with an energy crisis of unprecedented proportions. Faced with the daunting challenge of finding a solution to humanity's pressing energy needs, Alexander found himself drawn to his father's old projects, seeking solace and inspiration in the memories of a bygone era. Alexander Hawk found himself at a crossroads, faced with the daunting task of finding a solution to humanity's pressing energy needs. It was during this time of uncertainty that he stumbled upon a hidden treasure trove of his father's old projects. As he delved deeper into the contents of these forgotten documents, Alexander was struck by a revelation, an idea that would shape the course of his life and the destiny of the world. In his father's secret research, Alexander discovered the tantalizing prospect of tapping into the Earth's core as a potential source of cosmic energy. His father's visionary work had laid the groundwork for a journey into uncharted territories, delving deep into the mysteries of the planet's power source. Inspired by his father's legacy and fueled by a sense of duty to carry on his work, Alexander resolved to take up the mantle and continue the quest for cosmic energy. With the world teetering on the brink of disaster due to the energy crisis, Alexander saw an opportunity to make a difference, to unlock the untapped potential lying dormant beneath the Earth's surface. And so, with unwavering determination and a firm belief in the power of human ingenuity, he initiated the Coram project, a bold endeavor to explore the depths of the Earth and harness its boundless energy for the betterment of all mankind. Little did Alexander know the challenges and revelations that awaited him on this journey into the unknown. But fueled by his father's legacy and driven by a deep sense of purpose, he forged ahead, determined to unlock the secrets hidden within the Earth's core and pave the way for a brighter future for generations to come. Chapter 2: The Energy Waves. As the team of explorers temporarily halts their journey into the depths of the Earth's core, they find themselves embarking on a new quest, one of simulations and analyses, seeking to unravel the mysteries of the energetic waves that shape the very dynamics of the planet's core. With the scanners and supercomputers at their disposal, the team delves into the data gathered from their journey thus far, meticulously piecing together the puzzle of the Earth's innermost depths. As they pore over the intricate patterns and fluctuations in the energetic waves, a sense of awe and wonder fills the air, mingled with a palpable anticipation of the discoveries that lie ahead. With each simulation run and analysis conducted, the team edges closer to unlocking the secrets hidden within the heart of the planet. Yet as they delve deeper into the enigmatic realm of the Earth's core, they find themselves confronted with more questions than answers, each revelation leading to further avenues of exploration and discovery. But amidst the uncertainty and complexity of their endeavor, one thing remains clear: the journey into the Earth's core is far from over. And as the team presses onward, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a relentless determination to uncover the truth, they stand poised on the brink of a new era of scientific understanding, where the mysteries of the Earth's innermost depths may finally be laid bare for all to see. The team was astounded by the revelations uncovered through the computer analysis. The energy waves emanating from the center of the Earth, previously unseen and uncharted, now held the key to understanding the intricate dance of the planet's core. Unlike the typical radiative waves that crisscross the cosmos unseen, these waves were unique, visible to the naked eye, pulsating with an otherworldly glow that illuminated the darkness of the Earth's innermost depths. As they traced the path of these enigmatic waves, the team marveled at their power and complexity, each pulsation carrying with it the potential to shape the very fabric of the planet itself. But perhaps even more astonishing was the revelation that these waves were not merely passive observers of the Earth's rotation. Instead, they served as the driving force behind the swirling currents of the outer core, orchestrating a delicate ballet of energy that governed the planet's very movement. As the team delved deeper into the data, they began to piece together the puzzle of the Earth's inner dynamics. It became clear that these waves were not only responsible for the rotation of the outer core, but also played a crucial role in regulating the planet's overall rotation, a discovery that challenged fundamental assumptions about the Earth's behavior and its place in the cosmos. With each new revelation, the team's excitement grew, fueled by the thrill of discovery and the tantalizing prospect of unlocking the secrets of the Earth's innermost depths. Yet, even as they marveled at the wonders unfolding before them, they knew that their journey was far from over. There were still mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the quest for understanding would continue unabated, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a relentless determination to explore the unknown. As the team pored over the scanner results, a sense of bewilderment washed over them. Despite their advanced technology and sophisticated instruments, they found themselves unable to identify the enigmatic energy waves that pulsated through the Earth's core. Richard Gentry, renowned for his keen analytical mind, was the first to voice his thoughts on the matter. If these waves were simply radiation, our scanners would have detected them without hesitation, he remarked, his brow furrowed in concentration. But this energy, it eludes our understanding. It's as if it exists beyond the bounds of known physics, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. The team exchanged uneasy glances, grappling with the implications of their discovery. Here they were, on the brink of unraveling one of the Earth's greatest mysteries, only to find themselves confronted with an even greater enigma. Hawke, ever the visionary, sought to make sense of the situation. Perhaps, he mused, this energy is not meant to be understood through conventional means. Maybe it's a force that exists beyond our current understanding of the universe, a phenomenon that defies explanation. Andrew Ciello's theory ignited a spark of excitement among the team members, offering a fresh perspective on the enigmatic phenomenon they were witnessing. As they leaned in to listen, Andrew elaborated on his hypothesis with a fervor born of deep conviction. These energy waves we're detecting, he began, his voice filled with a mixture of awe and wonder. They may not be mere radiation, as we initially suspected. Instead, I propose that they are gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself, carrying with them an unknown magnetic energy. His words hung in the air, prompting a chorus of intrigued murmurs and eager nods of agreement from his colleagues. For if Andrew's theory proved true, it would revolutionize their understanding of the fundamental forces shaping the universe. The absence of gravity within this space, Andrew continued, gesturing to the hollow expanse surrounding them, could be the result of these gravitational waves exerting a counterforce, neutralizing the pull of Earth's gravity within this localized area. The implications of his theory were profound, suggesting a previously unseen interplay between gravity, magnetism, and the very fabric of space-time itself. It offered a tantalizing glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos, hinting at a deeper connection between the forces governing the universe and the enigmatic energy pulsating within the Earth's core. Katie Mason's contribution to the discussion added another layer of complexity to their understanding of the phenomenon they were witnessing. Her hypothesis painted a vivid picture of the Earth's core as a dynamic, ever-evolving entity, shaped by the interplay of cosmic forces over eons of time. As the Earth's core reached its maximum efficiency, Katie began, her voice tinged with excitement. It would have acted like a cosmic vacuum, drawing in vast quantities of cosmic dust and debris as fuel for its internal processes. Her words resonated with the team, sparking a flurry of contemplation and speculation as they considered the implications of her theory. If the Earth's core had indeed acted as a cosmic furnace, consuming cosmic dust and debris to sustain its energy output, it would explain the void-like space they found themselves suspended within. The accumulation of cosmic dust and debris would have fueled the Earth's core during its formative years, Katie continued, her eyes alight with the thrill of discovery. But as the core reached its maximum efficiency and began to cool, it would have left behind a void-like space, a remnant of its cosmic feast, so to speak. Her words painted a vivid picture of the Earth's inner workings, illuminating the processes that had shaped the planet over billions of years. The presence of vertical and horizontal layers of rock at the Earth's surface suddenly made sense, as remnants of the cosmic dust and debris drawn into the core during its tumultuous youth. It's a fascinating insight into the Earth's geological history, Katie concluded, her voice filled with a sense of wonder. And it offers us a glimpse into the cosmic forces that have shaped our planet and continue to influence its evolution to this day. The team listened intently, their minds buzzing with the possibilities presented by Katie's theory. For if her hypothesis held true, it would rewrite the textbooks on geology and cosmology, shedding new light on the processes that govern the formation and evolution of planets throughout the cosmos. With renewed vigor, they resolved to explore the implications of her theory further, eager to uncover the secrets hidden within the heart of their planet. The team listened intently, their minds buzzing with the possibilities presented by Katie's theory. For if her hypothesis held true, it would rewrite the textbooks on geology and cosmology, shedding new light on the processes that govern the formation and evolution of planets throughout the cosmos. With renewed vigor, they resolved to explore the implications of her theory further, eager to uncover the secrets hidden within the heart of their planet. Hawke's analysis added another layer of depth to Katie's theory, shedding new light on the intricate relationship between the Earth's core and its surface environment. As he spoke, his words resonated with the team, offering a compelling explanation for the existence of the void-like space they found themselves suspended within. If the void-like space didn't exist, Hawke began, his voice steady with conviction, the surface of the Earth would likely be much hotter than it is today. Without the void to regulate the flow of heat from the core, the Earth's atmosphere would be subjected to constant heating, creating a hostile environment for life to flourish. His words sparked a flurry of contemplation among the team members as they considered the implications of his analysis. It was a revelation that struck at the very heart of their understanding of the Earth's geophysical processes, offering a new perspective on the delicate balance that sustained life on their planet. The layers of void now make more sense than ever, Hawke continued, his gaze sweeping across the room. They act as a buffer, regulating the flow of heat from the core and allowing for the formation of stable environmental conditions on the Earth's surface. His words were met with nods of agreement from the team as they began to appreciate the profound implications of their discovery. It was a realization that spoke to the interconnectedness of the Earth's geophysical processes, highlighting the delicate dance of forces that had shaped their planet over billions of years. With this newfound understanding, Hawke concluded, his voice filled with quiet determination, we have unlocked a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of our planet and the forces that govern its evolution. And it is our duty to continue our exploration, to seek out new insights and unlock the secrets hidden within the Earth's depths. As the team absorbed his words, a sense of excitement and purpose filled the air, driving them forward in their quest to unravel the mysteries of the Earth's core. For with each revelation came the promise of new discoveries and the opportunity to rewrite the textbooks on geology and cosmology for generations to come. As the team delved deeper into the mysteries of the Earth's core, they began to realize the profound implications of their discoveries. The revelations they unearthed had the potential to reshape not only their understanding of the Earth's geophysical processes, but also their perception of the universe as a whole. For centuries, humanity had gazed up at the stars, marveling at the vastness of the cosmos and pondering the mysteries of the universe. Yet, in their quest to explore the cosmos beyond their own planet, they had often overlooked the intricate complexities that lay hidden beneath their feet. Now, as the team peered into the depths of the Earth's core, they began to grasp the true extent of the universe's complexity. The void-like space they encountered challenged their preconceived notions of how the Earth's core operated, opening their eyes to the delicate interplay of forces that governed their planet's evolution. With each new revelation, the team's understanding of the universe deepened, leading them to question the fundamental principles that had long been taken for granted. The discovery of the gravitational waves emanating from the Earth's core hinted at a deeper connection between the Earth and the cosmos, suggesting that the forces that shaped their planet were intricately intertwined with the fabric of the universe itself. As they contemplated the implications of their findings, the team realized that their discoveries would forever change the way humanity viewed the universe. No longer could they see the Earth as a solitary island adrift in the vast expanse of space. Instead, they recognized it as a dynamic and interconnected part of a larger cosmic tapestry, where the forces of gravity and energy intertwined to shape the very fabric of reality. All right, team, let's run another analysis on the minerals we collected during our pit stop. I want to see if there's any correlation between the mineral composition and the presence of the second void and the energy waves we've been observing. Sure thing, Hawk. I'll get started on that right away. It's fascinating to think that the minerals we found could be influencing the dynamics of the outer mantle. Agreed. If we can identify any patterns in the mineral composition, it could provide valuable insights into how the Earth's core interacts with the surrounding layers. I'll assist Katie with the analysis. It's important to consider all variables and ensure our findings are accurate. Excellent. Let's also cross-reference the data with our observations of the energy waves. We need to determine if there's any causal relationship between the mineral composition and the behavior of the waves. Understood, Hawk. I'll incorporate that into the analysis as well. It may take some time to process the data, but I'll keep you updated on our progress. Sounds good. In the meantime, let's continue monitoring the energy waves and gather as much data as we can. The more information we have, the better we'll be able to understand the underlying mechanisms at play. Agreed. We're on the verge of uncovering something truly groundbreaking here. I can't wait to see what the analysis reveals. Me too. This could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the Earth's core once and for all. Richard, Andrew, I need you two to focus on tracking the rotational speed of the outer crust. Let's see if there are any anomalies or fluctuations that correlate with our observations of the energy waves. Absolutely, Hawk. We'll get started on that right away. It'll take some time to gather enough data points, but we should be able to identify any patterns or deviations in the rotational speed. I'll assist Richard with the data collection and analysis. We'll use the sensors on board the ship to monitor the crust's movement and cross-reference it with our other observations. Good. Keep me updated on your progress. If you notice anything unusual or unexpected, let me know immediately. It could be a crucial piece of the puzzle we've been searching for. While they're working on that, I'll continue refining the analysis of the mineral composition. We need to find any possible connections between the minerals and the behavior of the energy waves. Sounds like a plan. Let's all stay focused and keep pushing forward. We're making remarkable progress, but there's still much to uncover. All right, everyone, let's gather around and discuss the latest findings from our mineral analysis. Katie, what did you uncover? Well, Hawk, the results are quite remarkable. We've identified a strong correlation between the composition of certain minerals and the behavior of the energy waves we've been observing. Specifically, minerals rich in magnetite and diaminixite seem to have a profound influence on the flow of energy through the Earth's layers. That's fascinating. So these minerals act as conduits for the energy waves? Precisely. It's as if they're channeling the energy, guiding it through the mantle, and influencing its trajectory. And what about the solarium crystal? I noticed it was present in some of the samples as well. Ah, yes. Solarium crystal seems to enhance the conductivity of the energy waves. It amplifies their effects, allowing them to penetrate deeper into the mantle and exert a more significant influence on the planet's dynamics. This is incredible. It suggests that these minerals play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's internal processes. But what about the variations in composition at different depths? Ah, yes. We also observed subtle variations in mineral composition at different depths. This indicates a complex interplay between geological processes and the flow of energy within the Earth. It's like a symphony of elements working together to orchestrate the planet's movements. So these findings could revolutionize our understanding of Earth's internal dynamics and potentially open up new avenues for harnessing cosmic energy. Indeed, Richard, we've only scratched the surface of what's possible, but with these insights, we're one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Keep up the great work, everyone. We're making history here. All right, team, it's time to resume our journey towards the core. We've made some incredible discoveries so far, and I believe there's much more to uncover. Hawk, before we proceed, I have a suggestion. What if we divert our course towards the South Pole? It could provide valuable insights into the continuity of the void space between the outer and inner core. That's an excellent idea, Andrew. If the void space extends all the way to the South Pole, it would confirm our previous findings and give us a more comprehensive understanding of the Earth's internal structure. Agreed. It's worth exploring. Richard, can you plot a course to the South Pole while keeping an eye on our previous discoveries? We need to ensure we're not veering off course. Of course, Hawk. I'll cross-reference our previous data to chart the most efficient route. It's essential to maintain our trajectory while exploring new territory. Additionally, we should continue tracking the rotational speed of the outer crust as we travel. Any anomalies could provide clues about the interaction between the void-like space and the Earth's surface. Agreed, Richard. Let's keep a close eye on the rotational speed and any other environmental factors that may influence our journey. With each step forward, we're unraveling the mysteries of the universe and pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. Let's make history, team. And Katie, I want you to monitor the scanners for any anomalies or unexpected readings. We need to stay vigilant as we venture into uncharted territory. Understood, Hawk. I'll keep a close eye on the scanners and alert the team to any unusual activity. All right then, let's set course for the South Pole and continue our journey into the depths of the Earth. There's no telling what wonders await us. As the Quorum ship embarked on its journey towards the South Pole, the team braced themselves for the unknown. Surrounded by the vast expanse of the void-like space between the outer and inner core, they remained vigilant for any anomalies or variations in the energy waves that permeated the depths. Navigating through the uncharted territory, they monitored the rotational stability of the outer core with keen interest. Each subtle shift in the environment was meticulously recorded and analyzed, providing valuable insights into the dynamic forces at play within the Earth's depth. As they delved deeper into the void, the team encountered breathtaking vistas of the unseen world beneath the surface. Luminescent minerals in the outer core, casting an ethereal glow in the darkness of the void. The energy waves pulsed rhythmically, guiding their path through the depths with an otherworldly allure. As they ventured further into the unknown, the team remained ever vigilant, ready to confront whatever mysteries awaited them in the depths of the South Pole. With each passing moment, they drew closer to the heart of the Earth, their journey fueled by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and a thirst for exploration. As the Quorum ship continued its journey through the void space towards the South Pole, the team observed a dramatic shift in the energy waves emanating from the core. For more than 3 days, they had traversed the depths, their senses attuned to the subtle fluctuations in the environment. Suddenly, without warning, the trackers detected a momentary cessation in the flow of energy waves. It was as if the very heartbeat of the Earth had faltered for a brief instant, leaving the team momentarily stunned by the unprecedented anomaly. Simultaneously, the scanners revealed irregularities in the rotational speed of the outer core, signaling a disturbance in the dynamic equilibrium that governed the planet's internal dynamics. The team exchanged apprehensive glances, their minds racing to comprehend the implications of this unprecedented event. With tensions running high, Hawk and his team sprang into action, initiating a series of diagnostic procedures to assess the extent of the anomaly and determine its potential repercussions. Every system on board the Corem ship hummed with activity as the crew worked tirelessly to unravel the mystery unfolding before them. As they delved deeper into their analysis, it became evident that the disturbance in the energy waves and the fluctuations in the outer core's rotational speed were intricately linked, forming part of a larger, yet incomprehensible phenomenon. The analysis of the data revealed that the momentary cessation in the flow of energy waves emanating from the core was localized to a specific area within the outer core. This anomaly appeared to have minimal impact on the overall dynamics of the outer core, affecting only a limited region where the waves failed to make contact. Given the soft composition of the minerals comprising the outer core, the interruption in the flow of energy waves caused a brief disturbance akin to a ripple in a flowing stream. Just as a stone tossed into a swiftly moving river creates a temporary disruption in the water's flow, so too did the absence of energy waves create a fleeting disturbance within the outer core's fluid layers. Despite the transient nature of the anomaly, its occurrence raised intriguing questions about the underlying mechanisms governing the flow of energy within the Earth's core. The team pondered the significance of this localized disruption, contemplating its potential implications for their ongoing exploration of the planet's depths. As the Corem ship ventured deeper into the void space towards the South Pole, the scanners suddenly began to display erratic readings, indicating the presence of massive, unknown magnetic energy waves coursing towards their destination. These waves appeared to originate from the inner core itself, cascading outward towards the outer core with incredible force and intensity. The team was captivated by the mesmerizing sight unfolding before their eyes. The scanners had detected an unknown magnetic energy, bathed in a brilliant shade of blue, surging forth from the depths of the Earth's core. The team members watched in awe as the data streamed across the screens, revealing the unprecedented scale and power of these enigmatic energy waves. Their sheer magnitude suggested a phenomenon of unprecedented scale and significance, challenging the team's understanding of the Earth's inner workings. To the naked eye, the energy appeared to move in a straight line towards the South Pole, its path seemingly unwavering and direct. Yet, upon closer inspection, the team realized that this magnetic energy was not as it seemed. It was rotating at an incredible speed, so fast that its rotation appeared imperceptible to the human eye. The rotation of the magnetic energy mirrored that of the outer core, spinning in a counterclockwise direction with effortless grace. The convergence of these swirling energies created a breathtaking display of colors that, as the vibrant blue hues of the magnetic energy mingled with the subtle shades of the outer layer. As the Corem ship continued to navigate through this celestial ballet, the team found themselves awestruck by the sheer beauty and complexity of the phenomenon before them. It was a sight that defied explanation, a testament to the unfathomable mysteries that lay hidden within the Earth's depths. With each passing moment, the team was drawn deeper into the heart of this cosmic dance, driven by an insatiable curiosity to uncover the secrets that lay buried beneath the surface. Little did they know, their journey towards the South Pole was about to lead them on an extraordinary adventure, one that would challenge their perceptions and reshape their understanding of the world around them. In the depths of the Earth's core, where temperatures soared to unimaginable heights, the laws of physics seemed to bend and warp in ways that defied conventional understanding. As the team observed the mesmerizing display of magnetic energy surging towards the South Pole, they were struck by a profound realization. Traditionally, magnetic energy was known to lose its power under extreme heat, yet the sheer magnitude of the energy outburst before them defied all logic. It was as if the magnetic energy possessed a strength and resilience far beyond anything they had ever encountered. With each passing moment, the magnetic energy surged forth with an unyielding force, carrying the entire outer core with it in a mesmerizing counterclockwise motion. The team watched in awe as the once stable outer core, thought to be a single cohesive entity, now moved in harmony with the powerful currents of energy flowing from the Earth's core. The sight was both awe-inspiring and humbling, a stark reminder of the boundless mysteries that lay hidden within the depths of the planet. As the team grappled with the implications of their discovery, they realized that their understanding of the Earth's inner workings had been forever changed. In that moment, as they bore witness to the awesome power of the magnetic energy, the team knew that they stood on the precipice of a profound scientific breakthrough. Little did they realize, their journey towards the South Pole was just beginning, and the mysteries that awaited them were beyond anything they could have ever imagined. As the Quorum ship ventured closer to the pulsating waves of magnetic energy emanating from the Earth's core, Hawk and his team braced themselves for the unknown. With each passing moment, the intensity of the energy field grew stronger, yet the Quorum ship, crafted from the resilient Quorum material, remained unaffected by its powerful influence. Guided by Hawk's steady hand, the team navigated the ship closer to pulsating magnetic energy, eager to analyze its massive power and unlock the secrets it held. As they drew nearer, the brilliant blue hues of the energy waves danced and shimmered against the backdrop of the void space, casting an otherworldly glow. Edward, ever vigilant at his post, monitored the ship's systems with unwavering focus, his keen eyes scanning for any signs of danger amidst the swirling currents of energy. With Hawk's guidance, he adjusted the ship's trajectory, ensuring they maintained a safe distance from any potential hazards that lurked within the mysterious magnetic field. As they delved towards the heart of the energy surge, the team's anticipation reached a fever pitch. With each passing moment, they gleaned new insights into the nature of the magnetic forces that governed the Earth's core, their curiosity driving them ever forward into the unknown. Yet, even as they marveled at the sheer power of the magnetic energy before them, a sense of caution hung in the air. The team remained acutely aware of the dangers that lurked within the depths of the Earth, knowing that one wrong move could spell disaster for their daring expedition. But with Hawk's steady leadership guiding their every step, they pressed on undeterred, ready to confront whatever challenges lay ahead in their quest to unravel the mysteries of the Earth's core. The revelations uncovered by Hawk and his team shattered the conventional understanding of the Earth's inner workings, unveiling a complex and dynamic system that defied all previous expectations. No longer did the Earth appear as a solid, homogeneous mass, but rather a series of interconnected layers separated by vast void spaces, each playing a crucial role in shaping the planet's behavior. At the surface level, the team had already encountered the presence of void spaces between the crust and the upper layers of the mantle, providing a tantalizing glimpse into the intricate architecture of the Earth's interior. These void spaces, it seemed, acted as conduits for the flow of energy and matter, exerting a profound influence on the planet's overall dynamics. But it was the discovery of the pulsating magnetic energy emanating from the Earth's core that truly upended their understanding of the planet's inner workings. As they witnessed the brilliant blue waves of energy cascading through the void space, it became clear that these magnetic forces held sway over the very rotation of the Earth itself. No longer was the outer core perceived as a stagnant mass, but rather a dynamic entity driven by the relentless pulses of energy emanating from the core. The team realized that the rotation of the outer core was not merely a consequence of its own inertia, but rather a direct response to the powerful magnetic forces exerted upon it from within. In light of these revelations, the team understood that their journey was far from over. With each new discovery, they peeled back another layer of the Earth's mysteries, uncovering a world of untold complexity and wonder. and as they pressed onward into the unknown depths, they did so with a renewed sense of purpose, driven by the knowledge that they were on the brink of unlocking the greatest secrets of our planet. I can't believe what we've witnessed down here. The inner workings of the Earth are so much more complex than I ever imagined. Indeed, Emily, it's as if we've peeled back the layers of a mystery that's been hiding in plain sight all along. Agreed. It's remarkable to think that these void spaces between the Earth's layers play such a crucial role in its dynamics. And to think that the pulsating magnetic energy from the core is what drives the rotation of the outer core. It's like the Earth itself is alive. It certainly challenges our understanding of cosmic forces and their effects on planetary bodies. I mean, who would have thought that magnetic energy could have such a profound impact on the rotation of an entire planet? Exactly. It just goes to show how much we still have to learn about the universe we inhabit. These discoveries could revolutionize our understanding of not just Earth, but other planets as well. It's almost humbling, isn't it, to realize that there's still so much we don't know about the world around us. Indeed, Emily, but it's also exciting. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. It's fascinating to think about the moon in comparison to Earth. The fact that it's tidally locked to us because it's essentially one solid body without the inner dynamics like Earth. Right. If the moon had layers like Earth with a powerful core and different materials composing it, it could have had its own atmosphere and wouldn't have been locked in such a way. So, the absence of these internal dynamics is what keeps the moon in its current state, just like how the presence of these dynamics shapes the Earth's rotation and atmosphere. It's incredible to consider how such subtle differences in the internal composition of celestial bodies can have such profound effects on their behavior. Indeed, it just goes to show how interconnected everything in the universe truly is. Every planet, moon, and star has its own story to tell, shaped by its unique composition and internal dynamics. And our journey here, delving into the depths of the Earth, is just the beginning of unraveling those stories. It's remarkable to think about the delicate balance that exists within our solar system. Each planet and its satellites have their own unique dynamics, yet they all seem to move in perfect harmony. Absolutely. Despite their differences, they all follow the same laws of physics and gravitational forces, which keep them in stable orbits around the Sun. And not just the planets, but even the asteroids and comets that orbit the Sun without colliding with each other or the planets. It's like a cosmic dance orchestrated by the laws of nature. Indeed, it's a testament to the beauty and intricacy of the universe, and our understanding of these dynamics is crucial for exploring not just our own planet, but also the vast reaches of space beyond. It's humbling to think about how much we've yet to uncover about the cosmos. Our journey here, exploring the depths of the Earth, is just one small piece of the puzzle. And with each discovery, we come closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. All right, team, let's incorporate our latest findings into a new simulation and see what we can uncover. Understood, Hawk. I'll input the data from our observations of the magnetic energy waves and their effects on the Earth's core dynamics. I'll work on integrating the information about the void spaces and their role in controlling the Earth's rotation. Andrew, I'll assist with refining the simulation parameters to accurately model the interactions between the different layers of the Earth. Emily, and I'll analyze the implications of these findings on the stability of the Earth's structure and its long-term evolution. After hours of intense work, the team finally runs the simulation and awaits the results. When the outcome is displayed, there's a moment of silence as they absorb the implications. This is unexpected. The simulation suggests that these void spaces weren't always present in the Earth's structure. They seem to have formed gradually over time as the inner and outer cores attracted and compressed certain minerals within them. And now these void spaces are working in perfect sync, controlling the Earth's rotation and influencing its overall dynamics. It's remarkable how such seemingly small changes in the Earth's composition can have such significant effects on its behavior. But it also raises questions about the long-term stability of our planet. How will these void spaces continue to evolve, and what impact will they have on Earth's future? That's a crucial point, Emily. Without complete data on the edge of the inner core and its properties, our simulation may not accurately reflect the true dynamics of our planet's inner workings and its stability. Agreed, we need to gather more information about the inner core to refine our model further. We can't overlook any details if we want to understand the long-term stability of Earth's inner dynamics. Perhaps we can focus our efforts on exploring the region near the edge of the inner core during our journey. Gathering data firsthand will give us a better understanding of its properties and how they contribute to the overall system. And while we're at it, we should also track any changes in the energy waves and their effects on the Earth's rotation. It's clear that these factors are closely linked, and studying them together will provide valuable insights. Agreed. By combining our observations with data from the simulation, we can develop a more comprehensive understanding of the Earth's inner dynamics and their long-term implications. Excellent. Let's make gathering data near the edge of the inner core a top priority during our journey. The more information we have, the better equipped we'll be to uncover the secrets of our planet's inner workings. Chapter 3. The Unexpected. As the Quorum ship edged closer to the powerful magnetic energy waves flowing towards the South Pole, a palpable shift occurred within its metallic hull. The outer layers of the ship, constructed from corundum, began to exhibit peculiar reactions to the intense magnetic fields. Every object within the vessel seemed to gain weight, as if the very fabric of space itself was pressing down upon them from all directions. The crew members, accustomed to the weightlessness of space travel, felt the unfamiliar sensation of their bodies being compressed, pulled towards the center of the ship by the overwhelming force of the magnetic energy. Sensing the increasing discomfort among the crew, Edward swiftly took action, his fingers dancing across the controls as he adjusted the trajectory of the ship, steering it away from the source of the magnetic waves. With each passing moment, the sensation of heaviness began to dissipate, replaced by a collective sense of relief as the Quorum ship distanced itself from the disruptive influence of the magnetic energy. As the crew grappled with the effects of the intense magnetic energy, a wave of discomfort swept through the confines of the Quorum ship. One by one, the team members began to exhibit symptoms of the profound influence they had just experienced. Bloodshot eyes gazed wearily around the cabin, betraying the strain of the extraordinary encounter. Dizziness washed over them like a relentless tide, leaving them disoriented and struggling to maintain their balance. Nausea churned in the pit of their stomachs, threatening to overwhelm them with its relentless intensity. But perhaps the most alarming sensation was the pervasive ache that gripped their bodies, as if every muscle and sinew had been subjected to an unseen force, stretched and strained beyond their limits. Each movement was accompanied by a sharp pang of discomfort, a constant reminder of the ordeal they had endured. As the crew struggled to regain their equilibrium, the Quorum ship became a refuge of solace amidst the tumult of their physical distress. Despite its advanced technology and meticulously designed systems, even the ship itself had not been immune to the profound influence of magnetic energy. Within its confines, the air hummed with the low thrum of machinery, the soothing hum of the ship's internal systems, providing a semblance of comfort amid the chaos. Controlled pressure enveloped the chamber, a barrier against the external forces that sought to penetrate its defenses. The internal cooling system hummed softly. Yet, despite these measures, the pulsating magnetic energy had wrought havoc upon the ship and its occupants. It was as if an invisible force had seized hold of every particle within their bodies, pulling them inexorably towards its unseen center. The crew felt as though they were being compressed, their very essence drawn towards some unfathomable source of power that lay beyond their comprehension. And so, they waited, each moment stretching out before them like an eternity as they sought to find their bearings once more. Gradually, the effects began to subside. the pain and discomfort easing with each passing moment as their bodies struggled to readjust to their stable state. In the dim confines of the ship, the crew gathered, their faces drawn and weary, yet filled with a quiet determination. Though battered and bruised by their encounter with the unknown, their spirits remained unbroken, their resolve unwavering in the face of adversity. For despite the trials that lay ahead, they knew that their journey was far from over and that they would face whatever challenges awaited them with courage and determination. As the crew gathered in the central chamber of the Coram ship, a palpable tension hung in the air, mingling with the lingering echoes of their recent ordeal. Hawk, his brow furrowed in concern, surveyed the assembled faces before him, his gaze lingering on each member of the team in turn. "Everyone okay?" he asked, his voice quiet yet commanding in the confined space of the chamber. Emily, her expression drawn and weary, nodded slowly. "I think so," she replied, her voice tinged with uncertainty. But that was unlike anything I've ever experienced before. The sentiment was echoed by the others, their voices rising in a chorus of agreement as they exchanged uneasy glances. Richard, his features etched with concern, spoke up next. "I've never felt anything like that before," he admitted, his voice tinged with a note of apprehension. It was as if every atom in my body was being pulled towards some unseen force. Katie, her brow furrowed in thought, spoke up next. "It's almost as if we were caught in the gravitational pull of a black hole," she mused, her words punctuated by a thoughtful frown, but on a much smaller scale. Andrew, his expression grave, nodded in agreement. "Whatever it was, it's clear that we stumbled upon something truly extraordinary," he remarked, his voice tinged with awe. "But we need to proceed with caution. We can't afford to underestimate the power of whatever lies ahead." Hawk, his eyes alight with determination, nodded in agreement. "Agreed," he replied, his voice firm with resolve. "We'll need to proceed with caution, but we can't let this setback deter us. We've come too far to turn back now." With a shared nod of understanding, the crew turned their attention back to the task at hand, their minds buzzing with questions and uncertainties, yet undaunted in their quest for discovery. For despite the challenges that lay ahead, they knew that they were united in purpose, bound together by a shared determination to unlock the secrets of the universe and chart a course towards a brighter future. Katie furrowed her brow in thought as she addressed the team, her voice tinged with curiosity. "I don't understand," she began, her gaze sweeping over the assembled crew. "Why did we feel the effects of the magnetic energy inside the ship, but the ship itself wasn't pulled towards it?" The question hung in the air, prompting a flurry of speculation and debate among the team members. Richard spoke up first, his expression thoughtful as he offered his insights. "Perhaps the ship's construction shielded us from the direct effects of the magnetic field," he suggested, his words punctuated by a thoughtful frown. "But that still doesn't explain why we felt the effects inside." Andrew nodded in agreement, his brow furrowed in concentration. "It's possible that the atmosphere within the ship reacted to the magnetic field in some way," he mused, his voice thoughtful. "But we'll need to run some tests to be sure." Edward, ever pragmatic, interjected with a reminder of the ship's unique properties. "Don't forget about Curator," he reminded the team, his voice steady and confident. "Its properties may have played a role in shielding the ship from the effects of the magnetic energy." Edward leaned forward, his eyes alight with understanding as he shared his insights with the team. "You see," he began, his voice tinged with excitement, "Curator isn't just any ordinary material. Its unique properties allow it to interact with the Earth's magnetic fields in a way that no other substance can." As the team leaned in to listen, Edward continued, his words coming faster now as he delved into the intricacies of Curator's composition. "Curator has the remarkable ability to withstand heat," he explained, his hands gesturing animatedly as he spoke. "But what's even more fascinating is its role as a conduit for magnetic energy." He paused for a moment, allowing his words to sink in before continuing. "You see, Curator acts as a bridge between the magnetic properties generated by the Earth's core and the surrounding environment," he elaborated. "It's a symbiotic relationship, if you will, one that helps regulate our planet's magnetic fields and maintain stability." The implications of Edward's words hung in the air, sparking a renewed sense of wonder and curiosity among the team members. Hawk nodded thoughtfully, his gaze fixed on Edward as he absorbed the information. So, because of Curitum's unique properties, he mused, the ship was shielded from the effects of the magnetic energy emanating from the Earth's core. Edward nodded in agreement, a smile of satisfaction playing at the corners of his lips. Exactly, he confirmed. And it's thanks to Curitum that we were able to navigate through the pulsating magnetic energy without being drawn in. Katie furrowed her brow, contemplating the implications of Edward's explanation. So, if Curitum acts as a conduit for magnetic energy, she began, her voice thoughtful, does that mean that magnetic fields could have an effect on the atmosphere as well? The question hung in the air, prompting a series of speculative glances and nods among the team members. It's certainly possible, Hawk responded, his gaze drifting towards the viewport as he considered the idea. Magnetic fields are known to interact with charged particles, so it stands to reason that they could influence the behavior of the atmosphere. Richard leaned forward, his expression pensive as he chimed in. If magnetic fields are indeed capable of influencing the atmosphere, he mused, then it could explain why Earth's atmosphere remains intact despite the constant bombardment of solar radiation. The notion sparked a flurry of discussion among the team members, each offering their own insights and theories on the matter. Some speculated about the potential implications for climate and weather patterns, while others pondered the role of magnetic fields in protecting the planet from cosmic radiation. As the conversation unfolded, it became clear that the team had stumbled upon yet another fascinating aspect of Earth's inner workings, one that held the potential to reshape their understanding of the world around them. With each new discovery, they moved one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and unlocking the secrets of cosmic energy. With a newfound appreciation for the capabilities of Curitum, the team turned their attention once more to the task at hand, their minds buzzing with the possibilities that lay ahead. For with Curitum as their ally, they knew that they had the power to overcome any challenge and unlock the secrets of the universe. Hawk, his expression thoughtful, listened to the exchange with keen interest, his voice firm with resolve. We can't afford to overlook any potential risks as we continue our journey. With a shared nod of understanding, the team resolved to delve deeper into the mystery, their minds buzzing with questions and hypotheses, yet undeterred in their quest for answers. For despite the uncertainty that lay ahead, they knew that they were united in purpose, bound together by a shared determination to uncover the truth and unlock the secrets of the universe. Amidst the hum of discussion, Emily spoke up, her voice tinged with curiosity. "I've been thinking," she began, her brow furrowing slightly as she mulled over her thoughts. "We know that magnetic fields play a crucial role in shaping the atmosphere of a planet, right?" The team nodded in agreement, prompting Emily to continue. "Well, different types of magnetic fields can lead to vastly different atmospheres," she explained, her words coming faster now as she delved into her explanation. For example, a weak magnetic field might result in a thin atmosphere, while a strong magnetic field could lead to a thicker, more robust atmosphere. Hawk chimed in, his expression thoughtful as he considered Emily's words. "That's true," he agreed, his gaze sweeping across the faces of his team members. "But what's interesting is how Earth's magnetic field, with the help of Curitum, creates the perfect environment for life to flourish." Katie nodded in understanding, her eyes bright with interest as she absorbed the information. "It's almost like Curitum acts as a guardian, protecting our atmosphere and preventing it from escaping into space," she remarked, her tone contemplative. Edward interjected, his voice echoing with excitement as he added his own insights to the discussion. "And not only does Curitum help maintain Earth's magnetic field," he added, his words punctuated by a sense of awe, "but it also plays a crucial role in regulating the composition of our atmosphere, ensuring that it remains stable and hospitable for life." As the team exchanged ideas and theories, a sense of wonder filled the air, each member marveling at the intricate web of connections that existed between Earth's magnetic field, Curitum, and the delicate balance of life on the planet. Amidst the backdrop of their ongoing exploration, the team delved deeper into the subject of coritum, their minds buzzing with the possibilities it presented. "Imagine if we could create a substance similar to coritum," mused Hawk, his eyes alight with excitement. "We could potentially harness its magnetic properties to control and manipulate magnetic fields." Katie nodded in agreement, her thoughts racing as she considered the implications. "It's a fascinating idea," she admitted, "but we still have so much to learn about the inner workings of coritum and its role in regulating Earth's magnetic field." Edward chimed in, his voice filled with enthusiasm as he added his own perspective to the discussion. "And let's not forget," he interjected, "that we still don't fully understand how much of the magnetic energy pulsating through the inner core is being converted into stable magnetic energy, which is essential for creating a stable atmosphere like that of Earth." As they exchanged ideas and theories, the team was filled with a sense of anticipation, eager to uncover the secrets that lay hidden within the Earth's depths. And as they continued their journey, they knew that each discovery brought them one step closer to unlocking the full potential of coritum and its ability to shape the very fabric of their world. They began to brainstorm potential methods for calculating the magnetic energy pulsating through the inner core and determining the role of coritum in this process. "We could start by analyzing the data we've collected so far," suggested Richard, his brow furrowed in concentration. "By studying the fluctuations in magnetic energy levels over time, we might be able to discern patterns and trends that could help us estimate the total energy output of the inner core." Katie nodded thoughtfully, her mind already racing with ideas. "We could also conduct experiments using coritum samples in controlled environments," she proposed. "By subjecting the samples to different levels of magnetic energy and observing their responses, we might gain insight into how coritum interacts with and influences magnetic fields." Hawk chimed in, his gaze focused and determined. "And let's not forget about our simulations," he reminded the team. "By refining our models and incorporating new data, we can create more accurate representations of the Earth's magnetic field dynamics, allowing us to better understand the role of coritum in stabilizing the atmosphere." As they continued to brainstorm and collaborate, the team felt a renewed sense of purpose and excitement. They knew that unraveling the mysteries of coritum and its relationship to Earth's magnetic field would require dedication, ingenuity, and perseverance. But they were determined to rise to the challenge, knowing that their discoveries could reshape the way humanity viewed and interacted with the world around them. With a collective determination, the team set out to refine their existing models and incorporate new data into their calculations. One of their primary objectives was to calculate the magnetic energy density surrounding the emanating waves from the Earth's core. To accomplish this, they devised a plan to deploy a specialized drone equipped with advanced sensors and measurement tools. As the drone soared towards the source of the magnetic energy, the team closely monitored its progress from the safety of the Coram ship. The drone's sensors began to collect data on the intensity, frequency, and direction of the magnetic waves, providing valuable insights into their properties. Meanwhile, back on the ship, the team worked tirelessly to analyze the incoming data in real time. They meticulously calibrated their models, fine-tuning parameters and algorithms to accurately represent the complex interactions between the magnetic energy and the surrounding environment. As the drone approached closer to the source, the data it transmitted back to the ship revealed a remarkable phenomenon. The magnetic energy density surrounding the core was far greater than they had anticipated, indicating a potent and dynamic force at play within the Earth's depths. With each passing moment, the team gained a deeper understanding of the intricate interplay between magnetic energy and the Earth's core dynamics. Their calculations and simulations grew more refined and precise, offering tantalizing glimpses into the mysteries of the planet's inner workings. The team gathered around the central console, eagerly reviewing the real-time results streaming in from the drone's sensors. As they analyzed the data, a remarkable revelation emerged. The magnetic energy emanating from the Earth's core was not solely composed of magnetic fields, but also carried a significant electrical component. "This changes everything," remarked Hawk, his voice tinged with excitement. If the magnetic energy is accompanied by electrical currents, it suggests a far more dynamic and complex interaction within the core. Katie nodded in agreement, her eyes fixed intently on the data displays. And if that's the case at the South Pole, then it stands to reason that the same phenomenon would occur at the North Pole as well, she added, her mind racing with the implications. Richard furrowed his brow as he scrutinized the data. It's as if the Earth's core is a vast generator, churning out not only magnetic fields but also electrical currents, he mused aloud. Edward chimed in, his expression thoughtful. This could have profound implications for our understanding of geomagnetic storms and space weather, he suggested. If electrical currents are circulating within the core, they could interact with charged particles from the solar wind, potentially amplifying or attenuating their effects. As the team delved deeper into the implications of their findings, a sense of awe and wonder filled the room. The Earth, it seemed, was revealing new secrets with each passing moment, offering tantalizing glimpses into the intricate web of forces that shaped our planet and its place in the cosmos. With a shared sense of excitement and determination, the team acknowledged the far-reaching implications of their discovery. The realization that electrical currents within the Earth's core could interact with charged particles from the solar wind opened up new avenues of inquiry and exploration. It's fascinating to think about the ways in which these electrical currents might modulate the effects of solar activity on our planet, mused Hawk, his eyes alight with curiosity. If we can better understand these interactions, we may be able to predict and mitigate the impacts of geomagnetic storms and space weather. Katie nodded emphatically, her mind already racing with possibilities. And imagine the potential applications for space travel and satellite communications, she exclaimed. By studying how the Earth's magnetic field responds to these electrical currents, we could develop more robust systems to protect our technology in space. Richard's expression grew thoughtful as he considered the implications for terrestrial phenomena. I wonder if these electrical currents play a role in phenomena like auroras and magnetic anomalies, he mused. Understanding their dynamics could shed light on some of the most enigmatic features of our planet. Richard's idea sparked a lively discussion among the team members, each contributing their insights and hypotheses. Katie leaned forward, her eyes gleaming with excitement. You might be onto something, Richard, she chimed in. If these electrical currents are indeed responsible for phenomena like auroras, then they could also play a crucial role in maintaining our planet's atmosphere. Without them, a planet might not have the protective shield necessary to retain its atmosphere. The prospect of terraforming neighboring planets by harnessing the power of electrical currents within their cores ignited a wave of excitement among the team members. Hawk's eyes sparkled with enthusiasm as he considered the implications. Imagine the possibilities, he exclaimed. If we can understand and replicate the processes that give rise to planetary atmospheres, we could potentially transform barren worlds into habitable ones. It would be a monumental leap forward for humanity's quest to explore and colonize the cosmos. Richard chimed in, his voice filled with excitement. And if we can master the art of terraforming, we could unlock a whole new frontier for exploration and settlement, he added. It's an ambitious goal, but one that's well within our reach with the right knowledge and technology. Hawk nodded in agreement, his mind racing with possibilities. It's a fascinating hypothesis, he remarked, and it aligns with our growing understanding of how interconnected the various components of planetary dynamics truly are. If we can confirm this hypothesis, it could revolutionize our understanding of planetary atmospheres and their evolution. Edward, ever the pragmatist, raised a note of caution. While the hypothesis is intriguing, we must remember that it's still just that, a hypothesis, he cautioned. We'll need to gather more data and conduct further research to substantiate it, but it's certainly a promising avenue to explore. The team's discussion turned to the challenges of recreating Earth's dynamic core processes on another planet for successful terraforming. They acknowledged that while the concept was tantalizing, the practical implementation presented numerous obstacles. Katie raised a crucial point, noting, Replicating Earth's core dynamics on another planet would require a deep understanding of the underlying mechanisms driving our planet's magnetic fields and atmospheric stability. It's not just about creating a magnetic field. We need to ensure that it interacts with the planet's atmosphere in the same way as Earth's does. Richard nodded in agreement, adding, "And that's where the real challenge lies. We're still unraveling the mysteries of Earth's core dynamics, let alone trying to replicate them elsewhere. Without a comprehensive understanding of how these processes work, our attempts at terraforming could be doomed to failure." Hawk chimed in, his expression thoughtful. "But that doesn't mean we should abandon the idea altogether," he said. "It just means we need to approach it with caution and humility, acknowledging that we still have much to learn. Perhaps our efforts at terraforming will lead to new discoveries and insights that could benefit both Earth and other worlds." Katie nodded in agreement, her mind already racing with ideas. "We could use coritum-like minerals to control magnetic fields and electrical currents, kick-starting the process of atmospheric formation on other planets," she suggested. "It would be a challenging endeavor, but the rewards could be immeasurable." With renewed determination, the team resolved to delve deeper into the mysteries of electrical currents within the Earth's core and their potential implications for planetary atmospheres. As they continued their discussions and analyses, they remained ever vigilant, mindful of the complexities and uncertainties inherent in their quest for knowledge. As the team delved deeper into the possibilities of terraforming and planetary engineering, they were filled with a sense of awe and wonder at the prospect of shaping the destinies of worlds beyond their own. With each new discovery and revelation, they moved one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe and realizing humanity's boundless potential among the stars. Hawk observed the results of the lab experiment with keen interest, noting the reaction of coritum to heat, electricity, and magnetic energy. As the team combined these elements, coritum began to emit a soft glow, bathing the lab in hues of blue. However, to the team's surprise, there was no evidence of magnetization in the coritum sample. Scrutinizing the data readouts, Hawk pondered the implications of this unexpected outcome. "It seems that coritum's response to heat and electricity is consistent with our expectations," he remarked. "But the absence of magnetization raises intriguing questions about its interaction with magnetic energy." Katie furrowed her brow in thought, considering the implications. "Perhaps coritum's role in regulating Earth's magnetic field is more complex than we initially thought," she suggested. "It's possible that it acts as a conduit for energy transfer, rather than directly generating magnetic fields itself." Richard nodded in agreement, adding, "If that's the case, then coritum could be playing a crucial role in modulating the flow of energy within the Earth's core, helping to maintain its stability and balance." The sudden revelation flashed across the screens, displaying a startling increase in the mass weight of the coritum samples as heat and electricity were applied. The team watched in astonishment as the numbers fluctuated, indicating a significant change in the properties of the mineral under these conditions. Hawk's brows furrowed in deep concentration as he analyzed the data, trying to make sense of this unexpected development. This is unprecedented," he murmured, his voice tinged with a mix of surprise and intrigue. "We've never seen coritum react like this before." Katie leaned closer to the screens, her eyes scanning the readings with intensity. "It's as if the coritum is absorbing the energy and undergoing some sort of transformation," she observed, her mind racing with possibilities. "But what could be causing this increase in mass weight?" Richard nodded in agreement, his mind buzzing with theories. "It's possible that the extreme conditions are triggering a phase change or some other structural alteration within the coritum," he suggested. "This could have profound implications for its role in regulating Earth's magnetic field." The gravity of the realization settled over the team like a heavy blanket, casting a solemn hush over the bustling workspace. The implications of their discovery were staggering, painting a vivid picture of what could have been if not for the presence of coritum in the Earth's core. Hawk's gaze swept across the room, his expression grave yet determined. Without coritum acting as a stabilizing force, Our planet's atmosphere would resemble that of Venus, he stated, his voice carrying the weight of their newfound understanding. It's a sobering thought, to say the least. Katie's eyes widened in realization as she processed the magnitude of their revelation. Venus's atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, trapping heat and leading to extreme temperatures, she remarked, her voice tinged with concern. Without the protective shield provided by Earth's magnetic field, life as we know it would be unsustainable. Richard nodded solemnly, his mind racing with the implications of their discovery. It's a testament to the delicate balance that exists within our planet's ecosystem, he mused. The intricate interplay between geological processes, magnetic fields, and atmospheric conditions is what allows life to flourish on Earth. Andrew Cielo sat in front of his workstation, his brow furrowed in deep concentration as he pored over the data flashing across the screens. The discoveries made by the team had left him grappling with a whirlwind of thoughts and questions, each more perplexing than the last. Why Coretum, and why placed so precisely on both poles? He muttered to himself, his mind racing with possibilities. It all seemed too deliberate, too meticulously planned to be mere coincidence. As a scientist, Andrew was trained to seek patterns, to uncover the underlying truths hidden within the chaos of the universe. And yet, the enigma of Coretum eluded him, its purpose shrouded in mystery. He leaned back in his chair, running a hand through his hair in frustration. The implications of their discoveries weighed heavily on his mind, casting a shadow of doubt over everything he thought he knew about the world. What secrets lay buried beneath the surface of the Earth, waiting to be unearthed by those brave enough to seek them? As Andrew delved deeper into his thoughts, a sense of determination began to take root within him. He knew that unraveling the mysteries of Coretum would require patience, perseverance, and perhaps a touch of daring. For Andrew Cielo, the journey had only just begun, and he was determined to uncover the truth, no matter where it might lead. With a determined gleam in his eyes, Andrew Cielo leaned forward, his fingers dancing across the keys of his workstation as he initiated the simulation. The screen flickered to life, displaying a three-dimensional model of the Earth rotating slowly in the void of space. As the simulation progressed, Andrew meticulously removed Coretum from both poles, watching intently as the planet's magnetic field fluctuated in response. As Andrew watched the simulation unfold on his workstation, a sense of unease settled over him. Without the stabilizing influence of Coretum, the magnetic field began to falter, its once steady lines now wavering and fluctuating erratically. The once formidable magnetic shield that had protected the Earth from the harsh onslaught of cosmic radiation was now weak and vulnerable. Its energy leaked out in all directions, causing instability and chaos throughout the planet. Andrew's heart sank as he realized the implications of his discovery. Without Coretum to anchor and regulate the magnetic field, the Earth was now exposed to the full force of the solar wind and cosmic radiation. The delicate balance of life that had thrived under the protective embrace of the magnetic field was now in jeopardy. Images of catastrophic consequences flashed through Andrew's mind. Ecosystems ravaged by solar radiation, electronic systems disrupted by geomagnetic storms, and the very fabric of society torn apart by the chaos unleashed upon the world. In Andrew's simulation, as the magnetic field weakened, the consequences were immediate and dire. Without the protective shield of the magnetic field, the Earth's atmosphere began to suffer catastrophic losses. At first, it was the lighter gases, such as hydrogen and helium, that began to leak out into the vacuum of space. These gases, normally held in place by the Earth's gravity and magnetic field, now drifted away into the void, escaping the planet's grasp forever. As the simulation progressed, the effects became even more pronounced. Heavier gases like oxygen and nitrogen, essential for supporting life on Earth, also started to seep out into space. The once thick blanket of atmosphere that had enveloped the planet was now thinning rapidly, unable to withstand the relentless assault of cosmic radiation and solar winds. Andrew watched in horror as the Earth's atmosphere dissipated before his eyes, like sand slipping through the cracks of an hourglass. The delicate balance of gases that had sustained life on the planet for eons was now being disrupted, with devastating consequences. Without a stable atmosphere, temperatures fluctuated wildly, weather patterns became erratic, and ecosystems began to collapse. The loss of atmospheric pressure also meant that water could no longer exist in its liquid state on the surface, leading to widespread desertification and barren landscapes. In Andrew's simulation, the once thriving planet descended into chaos and desolation, a mere shadow of its former self. It was a stark reminder of the delicate interplay between Earth's magnetic field, its atmosphere, and the delicate balance that sustained life on the planet. As the simulation concluded, Andrew was left with a sobering realization of the importance of Curator. As Andrew pondered the implications of his simulation results, a nagging thought gnawed at the back of his mind like a persistent itch. The precise placement of Curator at both the North and South poles seemed too deliberate to be a mere coincidence. It was as if someone or something had orchestrated it with meticulous care and purpose. He couldn't shake the feeling that there was more to Curator's presence on Earth than met the eye. How had it come to be positioned in such strategic locations, perfectly aligned with the planet's magnetic field? And more importantly, why? As he delved deeper into his thoughts, Andrew considered the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention. Perhaps Curator had been placed on Earth by an advanced civilization from beyond the stars, with the intention of safeguarding the planet's magnetic field and preserving its delicate balance. Or could it be that Curator was a natural phenomenon formed through some unknown geological process that had yet to be discovered? Andrew entertained various hypotheses, each more far-fetched than the last, as he grappled with the enigma before him. As Andrew explored the possibility of Curator being a natural phenomenon formed through some undiscovered geological process, he couldn't shake off the daunting question: how had these two chunks of Curator come to be placed so precisely at the Earth's poles? The idea of Curator being a product of natural geological processes intrigued him. Perhaps during the tumultuous formation of the Earth billions of years ago, unique conditions had arisen that led to the creation of Curator in specific locations. But even then, the precise alignment with the planet's magnetic field seemed too much of a coincidence to be explained away by chance alone. Andrew envisioned a scenario where ancient geological forces, shrouded in mystery, had sculpted Curator from the very fabric of the Earth itself. These forces, acting over millennia, had carefully deposited Curator at the North and South poles, imbuing it with its unique properties and positioning it as a guardian of the planet's magnetic field. But as he delved deeper into this hypothesis, Andrew encountered numerous challenges and unanswered questions. The geological processes required to produce Curator would have to be unlike anything seen before, defying conventional understanding and pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge to their limits. Furthermore, the idea that such a rare and valuable resource could occur naturally in precise locations seemed improbable at best. It begged the question of whether there were other forces at play, hidden from human comprehension, that had guided the formation and placement of Curator with uncanny precision. As Andrew grappled with these uncertainties, he realized that the mystery of Curator's origins was far from being solved. Whether it was the result of extraterrestrial intervention, ancient geological processes, or some other unknown factor, one thing was certain: Curator held the key to unlocking the secrets of the Earth's core and reshaping humanity's understanding of the cosmos. And until that key was found, the enigma of Curator would continue to captivate and intrigue the minds of scientists and explorers alike, beckoning them to unravel its mysteries and uncover the truth hidden within the depths of the planet. But amidst the uncertainty and speculation, one thing remained clear: the presence of Curator on Earth was no accident. Its role in stabilizing the planet's magnetic field and protecting its atmosphere was crucial to the survival of life as they knew it. As Andrew mulled over these thoughts, a sense of urgency washed over him. If they were to unlock the secrets of Curator and its origins, they would need to delve deeper into the mysteries of the Earth's core and push the boundaries of human knowledge to new heights. For only then would they begin to unravel the truth behind this perplexing puzzle that had captured their imaginations and challenged their understanding of the cosmos. Guys, I've been thinking about Curator and its placement at the Earth's poles. What if it's a natural phenomenon formed through some unknown geological process? Interesting idea, Andrew, but how do you explain its precise alignment with the planet's magnetic field? That's the thing. It's hard to fathom how such a rare mineral could occur naturally in specific locations, but what if ancient geological forces sculpted corium over millennia and carefully deposited it at the poles? So, you're suggesting that corium is a product of unique geological processes, unlike anything we've seen before. Exactly. It would explain its alignment with the magnetic field and its role in stabilizing the Earth's core. But there are still many unanswered questions. Like, how could such precise placement occur naturally? And why is corium found only at the poles? And what about its unique properties? Corium seems to have capabilities that go beyond what we understand about mineral formation. All valid points. It's clear that we're dealing with something extraordinary here. Whether it's the result of natural processes or something else entirely, corium holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of the Earth's core. There's another theory that I've been considering. What if corium wasn't placed by natural geological processes, but by extraterrestrial beings? Extraterrestrial beings? You mean aliens? Yes, exactly. Think about it. Corium's precise alignment with the Earth's magnetic field, its unique properties, it all seems too perfect to be a coincidence. What if it was intentionally placed there by an advanced civilization? That's an intriguing idea, Andrew, but it's quite speculative. Do we have any evidence to support such a theory? Well, consider the possibility that an ancient civilization, far more advanced than our own, had the technology and knowledge to manipulate planetary materials. They could have recognized the importance of stabilizing the Earth's core and strategically placed corium at the poles. Emily, it's certainly a fascinating concept, but without concrete evidence, it's hard to take it seriously. Indeed, while it's an interesting thought experiment, we must rely on scientific evidence and data to guide our investigations. Of course, I understand, but it's worth considering all possibilities, especially when we're dealing with something as mysterious as corium. Agreed. We need to continue our research and exploration to uncover the truth behind corium and its significance for our understanding of the cosmos. The team pondered Andrew's theory, contemplating the implications of extraterrestrial intervention in Earth's geological history. Though speculative, it offered a new perspective on the origins of corium and its significance for humanity's understanding of the cosmos. Chapter 4. The Speculations. Hawk sat alone in his office aboard the Quorum ship, surrounded by the soft hum of electronic monitors and the faint glow of computer screens. His gaze was fixed on the swirling patterns of electromagnetic energy displayed before him, a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. As he pondered the recent discussions with his team, Hawk found his thoughts drifting to Andrew's speculations about the origins of corium. The idea of extraterrestrial intervention in Earth's geological history was both intriguing and unsettling. Could it be possible that beings from beyond our world had played a role in shaping the fate of our planet? Hawk couldn't deny the allure of such a notion. After all, the mysteries of the universe were vast and boundless, and humanity's understanding of its own origins was still in its infancy. But as a scientist, he knew the importance of skepticism and empirical evidence. Without tangible proof, Andrew's theory remained nothing more than speculation, a tantalizing possibility, but far from certainty. Nevertheless, the thought lingered in Hawk's mind, stirring a sense of curiosity and wonder. What if there were truths hidden beneath the surface of reality, waiting to be uncovered? What if the secrets of corium held the key to unlocking humanity's ultimate destiny? Lost in contemplation, Hawk continued to gaze at the swirling patterns of electromagnetic energy, his mind alive with questions and possibilities. In the depths of space, surrounded by the infinite expanse of the cosmos, the journey of discovery had only just begun. As Hawk delved deeper into the realm of speculative thought, the concept of planetary engineering began to take shape in his mind. He pondered the possibility of an advanced civilization wielding the power to manipulate the very fabric of a planet's core, shaping its geological structure and influencing its surface dynamics. In Hawke's imagination, he envisioned a scenario where beings of incomprehensible technological prowess could descend into the depths of a planet, harnessing its raw energies to enact profound transformations. Through a combination of precise calculations, sophisticated machinery, and advanced materials like coritum, these beings could engineer the planetary core itself, altering its composition and behavior in ways beyond the grasp of conventional science. He couldn't help but marvel at the implications it held for the destiny of entire worlds. If such a feat were achievable, it would fundamentally redefine our understanding of planetary evolution and the potential for intelligent life to shape its cosmic environment. As Hawke contemplated the possibilities laid out before him, he found himself drawn deeper into the realm of cosmic speculation. The notion of reshaping a planet to suit one's own design was a concept both thrilling and daunting in its implications. In his mind's eye, Hawke envisioned the immense challenge of controlling a star, a task that bordered on the realm of impossibility, given the sheer magnitude of stellar forces at play. Yet, as he pondered further, he realized that the intricate dynamics of a planet's core presented a different set of opportunities. Unlike the incandescent fury of a star, a planet's core held within it the potential for manipulation and control, albeit on a scale that required a level of technological sophistication far beyond humanity's current capabilities. But if one could unlock the secrets of cosmic energy and master the art of planetary engineering, the possibilities were staggering. Hawke envisioned a future where advanced civilizations wielded the power to shape worlds according to their own desires, sculpting landscapes, climates, and ecosystems with precision and purpose. It was a vision of unprecedented control over the forces of nature, a testament to the boundless ingenuity of intelligent life. And yet, Hawke recognized the immense challenges that lay ahead. The task of reshaping a planet from within was not one to be taken lightly, requiring a deep understanding of the cosmic mysteries that governed planetary dynamics. It would require tireless research, groundbreaking discoveries, and technological breakthroughs beyond anything humanity had yet conceived. But as Hawke gazed out into the vast expanse of space, he felt a surge of determination coursing through him. The journey of discovery was far from over, and the mysteries of the cosmos beckoned with irresistible allure. With each passing moment, he grew more resolved to unlock the secrets that lay hidden within the depths of the universe, and to usher in a new era of exploration, innovation, and understanding. But with this awe-inspiring vision came a sense of humility and reverence for the mysteries of the universe. Hawke recognized that while human ingenuity had unlocked many secrets of the cosmos, there were realms of possibility that remained beyond our current grasp. The notion of planetary engineering served as a reminder of the boundless potential inherent in the vast expanse of space, waiting to be explored and understood. Lost in contemplation, Hawke's mind brimmed with questions and possibilities, each one a tantalizing glimpse into the infinite tapestry of creation. As he gazed out into the void, he knew that the journey of discovery was far from over, and that the secrets of the cosmos held wonders beyond imagination, waiting to be revealed. Hawke glanced up from his workstation as Emily entered his office, her expression a mix of curiosity and anticipation. She had been with him for years, a trusted ally in their shared quest for knowledge and discovery. "Emily, please, have a seat," Hawke said, gesturing to the chair opposite his desk. "I have something I'd like to discuss with you." Emily took a seat, her gaze fixed intently on Hawke. She knew that when he called her into his office with such a serious tone, it meant he had something important on his mind. "I've been doing some thinking," Hawke began, his voice measured yet tinged with excitement, "about Andrew's speculations regarding the origins of Curator and the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention." Emily nodded, her interest piqued. She had heard the discussions circulating among the team, but she was eager to hear Hawke's perspective on the matter. "I can't help but wonder if there might be some truth to Andrew's theories," Hawke continued, his words thoughtful. "The idea that an advanced civilization could engineer a planet from within, shaping its very composition and dynamics, it's a concept that's both intriguing and daunting." Emily listened intently as Hawke elaborated on his thoughts, her mind racing with possibilities. She knew that her mentor's insights were always worth considering, his intellect and intuition guiding their journey through uncharted territories of knowledge. And yet, Hawk mused, his gaze drifting to the holographic display of cosmic energy pulsating before them, if we could unlock the secrets of the cosmic mysteries, if we could harness its power and understand its true purpose, who knows what we might achieve? As Hawk finished sharing his thoughts, Emily leaned forward, her expression thoughtful yet tinged with concern. Hawk, I understand your fascination with unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos, but I have to disagree with you on this. Hawk raised an eyebrow, inviting her to elaborate. I respect your vision and your dedication to pushing the boundaries of our understanding, Emily began, her voice steady yet firm. But tampering with cosmic energies on such a scale, it's risky, to say the least. We don't fully comprehend the forces that have shaped the universe for billions of years. To meddle with them, to attempt to engineer planets or manipulate the very fabric of space-time, it could have consequences we can't even begin to imagine. Hawk listened attentively, absorbing Emily's words. He knew she spoke from a place of wisdom and caution, her insights grounded in years of experience and study. I understand your concerns, Emily, Hawk replied, his tone respectful. And believe me, I share them to some extent. The universe is vast and unfathomable, and our understanding of it is but a drop in the ocean. But I also believe that with great knowledge comes great responsibility. If we can unlock the secrets of Curator, if we can harness its power for the betterment of humanity, perhaps we have a duty to explore that possibility. Hawk's voice carried a note of conviction as he continued, his gaze steady as he met Emily's eyes. Emily, I understand your concerns, and I share them to some extent. But imagine a scenario where our civilization is on the brink of extinction, teetering on the edge of collapse due to the energy crisis. In such dire circumstances, I would choose the path of advancement, even if it means breaking the very fabric of our own solar system. He paused, allowing his words to sink in before continuing. Yes, manipulating the planetary system might have repercussions, and our current technology may not allow us to venture beyond our own solar system. But if we can unlock the secrets of cosmic energy, if we can harness its power to sustain and propel our civilization forward, then perhaps it's a risk worth taking. Hawk's expression softened, a hint of determination shining in his eyes. And who's to say that our actions would have a detrimental effect on the entire universe? Perhaps it would be a stepping stone for humanity to expand its reach, to explore and colonize other systems within our galaxy or even beyond. The pursuit of knowledge, of progress, has always come with risks, but it's also what drives us forward as a species, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the destiny of our civilization. Emily listened intently, her expression reflecting a mix of apprehension and contemplation. She understood the gravity of the situation and the weight of Hawk's words. Though her concerns remained, she couldn't deny the allure of the possibilities he described. In that moment, as they stood together in Hawk's office aboard the Curator ship, they were united by a shared vision of a future where humanity reached for the stars, guided by the light of discovery and fueled by the boundless potential of the cosmos. Emily sighed, her gaze meeting Hawk's with a mixture of apprehension and understanding. I just worry that we might be playing with fire, Hawk, she said softly. But I trust your judgment, and I'll stand by you in whatever path we choose to take. Hawk nodded, a silent acknowledgement of their shared commitment to the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the unknown. Together, they would navigate the complexities of the cosmic mysteries, mindful of the risks yet driven by the boundless potential that lay waiting to be uncovered. With a solemn nod, Hawk gestured for Emily to take a seat opposite him, his mind already racing with plans and possibilities. Emily, I appreciate your candor and your commitment to our mission, but now I believe it's time to take our efforts to the next level. Emily's brow furrowed in curiosity as she leaned forward, awaiting Hawk's next words. We need to start a secret project, Hawk began, his voice low but resolute. Our focus will be on understanding the cosmic energy that permeates the universe, particularly the mysteries of Curator. But more than that, we will explore how we can harness this energy to reshape other planets, to mold them into habitable worlds where humanity can thrive. Emily's eyes widened in surprise at the magnitude of the task laid before them. But, sir, she ventured cautiously, such a project, it's unprecedented. The risks, the ethical implications. Hawk held up a hand, his expression firm but reassuring. I understand the risks, Emily. Believe me, I do. But consider this. If we succeed, if we unlock the secrets of cosmic energy and wield it responsibly, we could usher in a new era of prosperity for humanity. We could colonize distant worlds, expand our reach across the cosmos, and ensure the survival of our species for generations to come. He leaned in closer, his eyes ablaze with determination. This is our chance to shape the future, Emily, to push the boundaries of what's possible and leave a lasting legacy for all of humanity. Will you join me on this journey? Emily hesitated for only a moment before nodding, a flicker of excitement mingling with her apprehension. Yes, sir, she replied, her voice steady with resolve. I'm with you every step of the way. And with that, the seeds of a new project were sown, its roots reaching deep into the core of the earth and stretching outward toward the stars. Together, Hawk and Emily would embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of the cosmos and forge a future beyond imagination. As Emily returned to her workstation aboard the Coram ship, she couldn't shake the sense of anticipation that tingled in the air around her. Cosmic Seed, she murmured to herself, rolling the name around on her tongue. It held a weighty significance, a promise of untold potential waiting to be unlocked. With a renewed sense of purpose, Emily set to work, her fingers flying across the keyboard as she delved into the data, algorithms, and simulations that would lay the foundation for the Cosmic Seed project. Every line of code, every calculation was a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of cosmic energy and charting a course toward a bold new future. As she worked, Emily couldn't help but feel a surge of excitement at the possibilities that lay ahead. This wasn't just another project, it was a calling, a chance to make a difference on a cosmic scale. And with Hawk's trust and guidance behind her, she knew that together, they could achieve the impossible. With determination burning bright in her heart, Emily threw herself into the task at hand, ready to sow the seeds of change and watch as they blossomed into a future beyond imagination. As Emily delved into the Cosmic Seed project across the Coram ship, Andrew found himself consumed by his own investigation. His mind buzzed with the possibilities of his theory, sparking a relentless drive to uncover the truth hidden within the annals of history. Seated at his workstation, Andrew's fingers danced across the keyboard with practiced precision, scouring through archives of historical records, ancient texts, and scientific journals in search of any clues that might support his hypothesis. Every document, every piece of data held the potential to unravel the mysteries that had captivated his mind. Lost in his research, Andrew became increasingly convinced that the Earth's origins held secrets far beyond anything humanity had ever imagined. He pored over ancient myths and legends, searching for kernels of truth buried within the tales of gods and cosmic beings. With each discovery, his determination only grew stronger, fueled by the tantalizing prospect of unlocking the ultimate truth. But as Andrew delved deeper into his investigation, he knew that he was treading on dangerous ground. His research had to be conducted in secret, shielded from prying eyes and probing questions. Yet, despite the risks, he pressed on, driven by an insatiable curiosity and an unwavering belief in the validity of his theory. Andrew's quest for answers became all-consuming, his every waking moment devoted to unraveling the enigma of Earth's origins. And as he delved deeper into the labyrinth of history, he knew that the truth he sought lay just beyond his grasp, waiting to be discovered in the hidden recesses of time itself. As the Coram ship hurtled through the depths of space between Earth's outer and inner core, its crew divided their focus between the present and the past, each driven by their own unique quest for knowledge and understanding. For Emily and the rest of the crew, the present and the future loomed large, their minds consumed by the challenges and possibilities that lay ahead. With the Cosmic Seed project underway, they worked tirelessly to unlock the secrets of cosmic energy, their every action guided by the hope of reshaping the destiny of humanity. Their days were filled with calculations, simulations, and experiments as they sought to unravel the mysteries of the universe and harness its boundless energy for the betterment of all. Every discovery, every breakthrough brought them one step closer to their goal, fueling their determination to push the boundaries of what was possible. But amidst the excitement of exploration and discovery, there lingered a sense of urgency, a reminder of the pressing need to find solutions to the challenges facing their world. For Emily and her colleagues, the future of humanity hung in the balance, and they were determined to do whatever it took to ensure its survival. Meanwhile, Andrew's focus lay squarely on the past, his mind consumed by the mysteries of history and the secrets it held. As he delved into the historical records of time, he searched for clues and connections, piecing together fragments of information in a quest to uncover the truth about Earth's origins. His days were spent immersed in ancient texts and forgotten lore, as he sought to unravel the tangled web of myths and legends that shrouded the past. With each discovery, he felt a sense of exhilaration, a thrill of excitement at the prospect of unlocking the secrets that had eluded humanity for millennia. But as Andrew delved deeper into the past, he knew that his journey was fraught with peril. His every step forward met with uncertainty and doubt. Yet despite the challenges, he pressed on, driven by an unshakable belief in the power of knowledge to illuminate the darkest corners of history. And so, as the Quorum ship continued its journey through the void space in the depths of Earth, its crew remained steadfast in their pursuit of truth and discovery, their paths diverging and converging in a dance of exploration and enlightenment that spanned the breadth of time and space. Chapter 5. Forge Onward. As the drone ventured deeper into the depths of space, its sensors captured the pulsating energy emanating from the south of the inner core. With each passing moment, the data streamed back to the Quorum ship, revealing the intricate dance of magnetic and electric forces that permeated the cosmic void. Back on board, the crew gathered around the monitors, their faces bathed in the soft glow of the display screens as they analyzed the incoming data. The numbers told a fascinating story, painting a picture of a dynamic and ever-changing energy field that had shaped the very fabric of the universe for billions of years. Yet, amidst the wonder and awe, questions lingered in the minds of the crew. How was it possible for such vast quantities of energy to be generated and sustained for eons on end? What cosmic mystery lay at the heart of this phenomenon, driving the inner workings of both stars and planets alike? As they pondered these questions, a sense of awe washed over them, a profound realization of the sheer magnitude and complexity of the universe they inhabited. For here, in the depths of Earth's void space, they glimpsed a glimpse of the cosmic forces that had shaped the destiny of worlds and guided the course of civilizations. But even as they marveled at the wonders of the cosmos, a sense of urgency gnawed at their hearts, a reminder of the pressing need to unlock the secrets that lay hidden within the depths of void space. For with each discovery came the promise of new knowledge and understanding, leading them ever closer to the truth that lay at the heart of the cosmic mystery. As the Quorum ship pressed onward into the unknown depths, the team braced themselves for the journey ahead. With sensors displaying nothing but a vast void stretching out before them, they forged ahead, their determination unwavering despite the uncertainty that lay ahead. The ship continued its descent, each kilometer bringing them closer to their final destination, the enigmatic inner core of the Earth. Yet, with every passing moment, the void seemed to stretch on endlessly, a silent testament to the vastness of the unknown that lay beyond. Despite the challenges that lay ahead, the team remained resolute in their quest for knowledge, their minds focused on the task at hand. With each passing kilometer, they inched closer to their goal, driven by a thirst for discovery and a desire to unravel the mysteries that lay hidden beneath the Earth's surface. As the Quorum ship ventured deeper into the void space, the vibrant orange hues that once illuminated their path began to dim, giving way to an enveloping darkness that seemed to swallow everything in its path. Yet despite the encroaching darkness, the ship pressed on, its steady pace unfaltering as it journeyed deeper into the unknown. The temperature continued to rise steadily, reaching a staggering 2,900 degrees Celsius, enough to melt even the toughest of materials. Yet the Core ship remained steadfast, its advanced design and state-of-the-art materials ensuring its stability even in the face of such extreme conditions. Inside the ship, the crew worked tirelessly, monitoring the ship's systems and analyzing the data streaming in from their sensors. Despite the darkness that surrounded them, their spirits remained undaunted, fueled by a sense of purpose and the promise of discovery that lay ahead. As they journeyed deeper into the depths, the team found themselves confronted with the sheer magnitude of the task before them. Yet with each obstacle they encountered, they pushed forward, their spirits undaunted by the challenges that lay ahead. For they knew that beyond the void lay the answers they sought, waiting to be discovered amidst the depths of the inner core. And with each passing moment, they drew closer to unlocking the secrets that lay hidden within, their hearts filled with anticipation for the discoveries that lay ahead. As the Core ship continued its journey through the void space, the distance they covered since their last stop reached an impressive 960 kilometers, bringing their total distance from the Earth's surface to 132 kilometers. With each passing day, the temperature outside the ship surged higher, now reaching a blistering 3,200 degrees Celsius, a testament to the extreme conditions of the Earth's inner layers. Inside the ship, the crew pressed on, their determination unwavering despite the relentless heat and the seemingly endless expanse of darkness that surrounded them. With each passing day, they grew closer to their goal, driven by a thirst for knowledge and the promise of discovery that lay ahead. Despite the challenges they faced, the crew remained resolute, their spirits buoyed by the progress they had made and the mysteries that awaited them at the Earth's core. And as they looked back on the 102 days since their journey began, they knew that every step they took brought them closer to unlocking the secrets of the planet they called home. The scanners suddenly sprang to life, registering a series of plasma surges emanating from the heart of the Earth. These powerful bursts of energy surged outward in all directions before looping back towards the inner core, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and color. The unexpected sight left the team stunned, their minds racing with questions and theories to explain this phenomenon. How could such massive plasma surges originate from the inner core, and what could be driving this incredible display of energy? Hawk and his team quickly sprang into action, analyzing the data and running simulations to unravel the mystery behind these plasma surges. With each passing moment, the urgency of their mission grew, spurred on by the realization that they were witnessing something truly extraordinary unfolding deep within the Earth. As they continued to study the plasma surges, Hawk and his team braced themselves for whatever other wonders and challenges lay ahead on their journey to the Earth's core. For they knew that they were on the brink of uncovering secrets that could reshape our understanding of the planet and the forces that govern it. With a steady hand and a resolute spirit, Hawk guided the Quorum ship deeper into the void space towards the inner core. As they navigated through the void space, the team remained vigilant, monitoring the ship's systems and preparing for whatever lay ahead. After covering a sufficient distance, Hawk instructed the team to stabilize the ship at a safe distance from the inner core. From this vantage point, they would be able to observe the dynamics of the inner core while keeping a safe distance from the intense heat and energy emanating from it. As the Quorum ship hovered in the void space, the team activated their instruments and scanners, eager to glean insights into the inner workings of the Earth's core. They watched intently as the plasma surges continued to pulsate from the inner core, their movements intricate and mesmerizing. Hawk and his team knew that they were on the cusp of uncovering groundbreaking discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of planetary dynamics. With each passing moment, they remained steadfast in their mission, ready to delve deeper into the mysteries of the Earth's core. The team's analysis of the inner core's dynamics revealed a breathtaking phenomenon that seemed to defy conventional understanding. It was as if the core itself was alive, pulsating with a rhythmic pattern of breathing, exhaling and inhaling plasma energy in a mesmerizing dance. With each exhale, streams of plasma energy surged outward from the inner core, spreading like tendrils into the void space surrounding it. The vibrant hues of blue and violet illuminated the darkness, casting an otherworldly glow that stretched out into the vast expanse. Yet, just as quickly as the plasma energy had been expelled, it was drawn back in, as if the core was inhaling its own essence. The swirling mass of plasma within the inner core seemed to contract and expand with each breath, resembling a living organism in motion. The team marveled at the sight, awestruck by the sheer magnitude and beauty of the spectacle unfolding before them. It was a sight that transcended scientific understanding, hinting at the profound mysteries that lay hidden within the depths of the Earth. The team's understanding of the electromagnetic energy emanating from the inner core deepened as they observed the mesmerizing spectacle unfolding before them. It became apparent that the surges of energy pulsating from the north and south poles were not random occurrences, but rather part of a larger, orchestrated phenomenon. Through careful observation and analysis, the team concluded that the electromagnetic energy was not only a byproduct of the inner core's dynamic movements, but also served a crucial purpose in maintaining the stability of the Earth's core. They hypothesized that the inner core, in its intricate dance of expansion and contraction, created a pathway for the electromagnetic energy to flow outward, forming channels that extended to the north and south poles. These channels acted as exit routes, allowing the excess energy to dissipate into the void space beyond. This revelation shed new light on the nature of the Earth's core dynamics, showcasing the delicate balance between energy generation and release. It also provided valuable insights into the mechanisms that govern the planet's magnetic field and its role in shaping the Earth's environment. As the team delved deeper into their exploration of the inner core, their advanced scanners painted a vivid picture of the dynamic forces at play within the Earth's depths. Hours of meticulous scanning and analysis unveiled a startling revelation. The inner core was rotating at an astonishingly high speed, creating frictional forces that generated intense plasma energies. This discovery sparked a flurry of questions and speculation among the team members. They marveled at the sheer power and magnitude of the inner core's rotational energy, realizing that it was a driving force behind many of the Earth's geological processes. However, a crucial question loomed large. What was driving this relentless rotation of the inner core? Despite their advanced technology and deep understanding of planetary dynamics, the team found themselves grappling with this fundamental mystery. As the team pondered over the relentless activity of the inner core, a fundamental question emerged. What was the source of the energy that kept this dynamic process in motion ceaselessly? They deliberated on various theories and possibilities, considering the immense scale and complexity of the Earth's inner workings. Some speculated that the energy driving the inner core's activity could be residual heat from the planet's formation billions of years ago, while others proposed that it might be fueled by ongoing radioactive decay within the Earth's core. However, as they delved deeper into their analysis, they realized that neither of these explanations fully accounted for the magnitude and consistency of the energy observed within the inner core. It seemed that a more potent and enduring source of energy was at play, one that defied conventional explanations and challenged their understanding of planetary dynamics. With their strategy in place, the team set out to explore the inner core in greater detail, leveraging the unique properties of Cortum to withstand the extreme conditions of the plasma-filled environment. 2 sets of drones, equipped with advanced sensors and powered by Cortum properties, were deployed into the depths of the inner core. The first drone ventured towards the region surrounding the plasma energy, carefully navigating through the swirling currents of charged particles. Its sensors captured detailed observations of the energetic phenomena, providing valuable insights into the dynamics of the plasma and its interaction with the surrounding environment. Meanwhile, the second drone descended deeper into the inner core, penetrating the veil of plasma to explore the mysterious depths below. As it ventured further into the heart of the core, it encountered new phenomena and unknown terrain, its sensors scanning the surroundings with precision. Both drones worked in tandem, their synchronized efforts enabling the team to gather comprehensive data from multiple vantage points within the inner core. The information they collected was relayed back to the ship in real time, where it was analyzed and synthesized to unlock new understandings of the inner workings of the Earth. As the team eagerly awaited the results of their expedition, they knew that they were on the brink of unprecedented discoveries that could reshape their understanding of planetary dynamics and cosmic forces. With Curator paving the way for exploration in the harshest environments, the possibilities seemed endless, and the journey into the depths of the inner core held the promise of profound revelations. As the second drone delved deeper into the inner core, it encountered a phenomenon unlike anything the team had anticipated. Surrounded by the swirling currents of plasma energy, the drone's sensors detected a mysterious force that seemed to permeate the very fabric of its being. At first, the energy readings appeared erratic, fluctuating wildly as the drone struggled to maintain stability within the turbulent environment. But as it continued its descent, the fluctuations took on a pattern, a rhythmic pulsation that echoed the heartbeat of the inner core itself. With each passing moment, the energy levels within the drone began to surge, a cascade of unknown energy coursing through its systems and amplifying with each repetition. It was as if the drone had stumbled upon a source of inexhaustible power, a wellspring of energy that defied all conventional understanding. The team aboard the ship watched in awe as the drone's telemetry data streamed in, revealing the unprecedented phenomenon unfolding within the depths of the inner core. They knew they were witnessing something extraordinary, a glimpse into the fundamental forces that governed the very essence of the Earth. As the drone continued to navigate through the pulsating energies of the inner core, the team braced themselves for the revelations that lay ahead. Whatever secrets awaited them in the heart of the planet, they knew that their journey into the unknown was far from over. The mysterious energy surrounding the second drone seemed to possess a life of its own, replicating and multiplying with a relentless fervor that echoed the processes of cellular division. With each passing moment, the drone's particle sensors detected an exponential increase in the intensity of the unknown energy, as if it were feeding off the very essence of the inner core itself. The team watched in astonishment as the readings spiked, surpassing all previous thresholds and reaching levels of magnitude previously thought impossible. It was a sight that challenged everything they thought they knew about the nature of energy and the inner workings of the Earth. Here, in the heart of the planet, they had stumbled upon a phenomenon that transcended their understanding, a force of unimaginable power that seemed to defy the very fabric of reality. Indeed, while the intricate dance of energy unfolded at a microscopic level to the naked eye, the inner core appeared as a singular entity, a solid mass of unfathomable depth and complexity. From afar, it exuded an aura of serenity and permanence, masking the tumultuous forces that churned beneath its surface. It was a stark reminder of the deceptive nature of perception, how the true nature of reality often lay hidden beneath the veneer of appearance. What appeared as a static and unchanging structure to human observers was, in fact, a dynamic and ever-evolving nexus of energy and matter, driven by forces beyond comprehension. As the team gazed upon the seemingly immutable facade of the inner core, they couldn't help but feel a sense of humility in the face of such vast and unknowable complexity. For every discovery they made, it seemed that a dozen more questions emerged, each leading them further into the enigmatic depths of the Earth's innermost realm. And yet, amidst the uncertainty and the unknown, there was an undeniable sense of exhilaration, a thrill of discovery that propelled them ever forward. For in the heart of the inner core, amidst the swirling currents of energy, lay the answers to some of the greatest mysteries of the universe, waiting to be unlocked by those brave enough to seek them. The simulation results illuminated the screen with a mesmerizing display of data, revealing the elusive nature of the unknown energy particle. Each particle, it seemed, possessed the remarkable ability to divide and multiply in a matter of mere milliseconds, a phenomenon that defied conventional understanding. As the team gathered around the screen, their expressions a mix of curiosity and apprehension, they couldn't help but marvel at the implications of what they were witnessing. If the unknown energy particles were indeed capable of multiplying at such an astonishing rate, then the implications for the stability of the inner core were profound and far-reaching. "It's fascinating, isn't it?" remarked Hawk, his voice tinged with a note of incredulity. "But it also raises some troubling questions. If these particles are multiplying within the core at such a rapid pace, shouldn't we be seeing signs of instability by now?" His query hung in the air, prompting a flurry of discussion among the team members as they grappled with the implications of the simulation results. Could it be that the inner core was somehow able to contain and regulate the proliferation of these particles, maintaining a delicate balance that prevented it from spiraling into chaos? "It's possible," mused Katie, her brow furrowed in concentration. "Perhaps there are mechanisms at play within the core that we have yet to uncover. Mechanisms that allow it to harness and control the energy of these particles in ways we can't even begin to imagine." As the team huddled around the screen, their collective gaze fixed on the mesmerizing display of data, a sense of awe and wonder permeated the air. Each member was acutely aware that they were witnessing something truly extraordinary, something that had the potential to reshape their understanding of the Earth's inner workings. "It's unlike anything we've ever seen before," remarked Emily, her voice tinged with excitement. "The way these particles multiply and divide, it's as if they possess a life of their own." Hawk nodded in agreement, his expression thoughtful as he contemplated the implications of their discovery. "Indeed," he replied, "and given the significance of what we've observed, I think it's only fitting that we give these particles a name." The team fell silent, each member lost in their own thoughts as they pondered the task at hand. After a moment, Richard spoke up, his voice filled with conviction. "What about cosmic particle?" he suggested. "It seems fitting, considering the cosmic nature of their origin and their enigmatic behavior." The suggestion sparked a chorus of agreement from the rest of the team, who nodded in approval. "Cosmic particle it is," Hawk declared, a smile tugging at the corners of his lips. "Let's make it official." And with that, the team christened the mysterious entities that inhabited the inner depths of the Earth's core, bestowing upon them a name that would forever be associated with one of the most profound discoveries in the history of planetary science. As the team delved deeper into their analysis, they uncovered another layer of complexity within the cosmic particle. It became apparent that each particle possessed a dual nature: the good particle and the decay particle. "The good particle seems to be the key to the multiplication process," observed Andrew, his eyes scanning the data with keen interest. "It's stable and capable of dividing into two particles, out of which one is a good particle and the other one is a decay particle." Hawk nodded in agreement, his brow furrowed in concentration. "And what about the decay particle?" he inquired. "It appears that the decay particle undergoes a process of decay, releasing energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation," replied Katie, her fingers flying across the keyboard as she analyzed the data in real time. "This energy then escapes through the north and south poles of the Earth, contributing to the maintenance of our planet's magnetic field." The team marveled at the intricacies of the process, each member grappling with the implications of their discovery. It was a testament to the ingenuity of nature, a delicate balance of forces that had allowed life to flourish on Earth for billions of years. And now, thanks to their efforts, they were beginning to unravel the secrets of its innermost depths. "The universe is alive," remarked Emily, her voice filled with wonder. "To think that these cosmic particles, invisible to the naked eye, play such a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of our planet." Andrew nodded solemnly, his gaze fixed on the screen, displaying the intricate dance of the cosmic particles. "It's humbling, really," he mused, "to realize that even at the smallest scales, the universe operates with such precision and purpose." Hawk chimed in, his expression thoughtful. "And yet, there's still so much we don't know," he said, his mind racing with possibilities. "But with each discovery, we come one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos." The team fell into a contemplative silence, each member lost in their own thoughts. It was a moment of profound realization, a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. As the team delved deeper into their discussion, the possibility of harnessing the energy of the cosmic particles became a focal point of their conversation. "We need to find a way to capture and store this energy," Hawk asserted, his eyes alight with determination. "Imagine the possibilities if we could bring this power back to the surface of Earth." Andrew nodded in agreement, his mind already racing with ideas. "We could revolutionize the way we generate and utilize energy," he proposed. "With the abundance of cosmic energy at our disposal, we could solve the world's energy crisis once and for all." Emily, ever the pragmatist, interjected with a note of caution. "But we must proceed with caution," she urged. "We don't fully understand the implications of tampering with such cosmic forces. We must ensure that we proceed responsibly and ethically." Hawk nodded in agreement, acknowledging the validity of Emily's concerns. "You're right," he conceded. "We must tread carefully and approach this with the utmost care and respect for the natural order of the universe." The team embarked on a series of experiments and simulations to determine the most effective method for storing cosmic energy. They hypothesized that traditional storage methods might not suffice for containing such powerful and dynamic energy. "We need to create an environment that mimics the conditions of the inner core," Hawk proposed, his voice filled with determination. "Only then can we hope to effectively capture and store the cosmic energy." Andrew suggested constructing a specialized containment chamber lined with cortum, the mineral known for its unique properties in regulating heat and magnetic fields. "Curator has proven to be resilient in high-temperature environments," he explained. "It could provide the ideal conditions for containing cosmic energy." Emily proposed integrating advanced cooling systems into the containment chamber to regulate temperature and prevent overheating. "We need to ensure that the chamber remains stable under extreme conditions," she emphasized. "Otherwise, we risk losing control of the cosmic energy." With their plan in place, the team set to work constructing the specialized containment chamber, utilizing cortum and advanced cooling technologies to create an environment capable of safely storing the cosmic energy. As they worked tirelessly to bring their vision to life, they remained ever mindful of the immense responsibility that came with harnessing such extraordinary power. The team embarked on the ambitious task of developing a quantum magnetic energy storage device, leveraging the unique properties of cortum to control heat and maintain stability. Their plan was to create a device capable of harnessing and containing cosmic particles, replicating the conditions found in Earth's inner core to ensure the particles remained viable. The device design was carefully crafted to mimic the environment of the inner core, with a specialized containment chamber lined with cortum to regulate temperature and maintain stability. At its core, a miniaturized reactor would replicate the conditions necessary for the survival of cosmic particles, providing the energy and stability required to sustain them. By creating an environment that mirrors the inner core, we can ensure that the cosmic particles remain active and stable within the device, Hawk explained, outlining the team's approach. This will allow us to effectively capture and store the energy they carry. The team worked tirelessly, combining their expertise in physics, engineering, and materials science to bring the device to fruition. As the team conducted rigorous tests and simulations on the quantum magnetic energy storage device, they monitored its performance with meticulous attention to detail. Every aspect of the device was scrutinized, from its cortum-lined body to its mini-reactor, designed to replicate the conditions of Earth's inner core. Days turned into weeks as the team tirelessly worked to ensure the device's reliability and effectiveness. They subjected it to extreme temperatures and varying energy levels to gauge its response under different conditions. Meanwhile, other members of the team continued to monitor the Earth's inner core, vigilant for any signs of instability or irregularities. They kept a close eye on the dynamics of the plasma energy, tracking its movements and fluctuations to ensure that their experiments were not having any unintended consequences on the planet's delicate balance. Throughout the testing process, Hawk remained steadfast in his commitment to unlocking the secrets of cosmic energy and harnessing its power for the betterment of humanity. With each passing day, the team grew closer to achieving their goal of creating a reliable and efficient storage solution for the cosmic particle, paving the way for a new era of energy innovation. As the device took shape, anticipation grew among the team members. They understood the significance of their work and the potential impact it could have on humanity's understanding of cosmic energy and its utilization for the betterment of society. With the device nearing completion, the team prepared for the final phase of their experiment, charging it with cosmic particles and monitoring its performance. It was a pivotal moment, one that would determine the success of their endeavor and pave the way for a new era of energy storage and exploration. Hawk gathered the team in the main conference room of the Core M ship, the holographic display flickering to life in the center of the table. "All right, team," he began, "we've made significant progress with the development of our quantum magnetic energy storage device. Now, our focus shifts to transferring the cosmic particles into the storage chamber." Andrew leaned forward, his expression thoughtful. "I've been considering the best approach for this task," he said. "Given the unique properties of cosmic particles, we'll need a containment chamber that can effectively attract and capture them." Katie nodded in agreement. "We'll need to create a chamber that can generate powerful electromagnetic fields," she suggested. "These fields will act as a magnet, drawing the cosmic particles towards the chamber." Richard chimed in, "But it's not just about attracting the particles. We also need a way to safely contain them once they're captured. We can't risk any leaks or instability." Emily, who had been silently pondering, spoke up. "What if we design the chamber with a series of concentric rings, each generating its own electromagnetic field? This way, we can create a gradient that guides the particles towards the center, where they'll be securely trapped." Hawk nodded, impressed by the suggestion. "That's a brilliant idea, Emily," he said. "With multiple layers of containment, we can ensure maximum efficiency and safety." As the team continued to brainstorm, ideas flowed freely, each member contributing their expertise to refine the design of the specialized containment chamber. With their combined efforts, they were confident they could create a solution that would enable them to successfully transfer the cosmic particles to the storage device. The specialized containment chamber was a known technology to humans, and with few modifications, the team was able to build it in their labs in no time. With the specialized containment chamber and storage device ready, the team prepared for the crucial task of transferring the cosmic particles. Positioning the containment chamber near the Earth's inner core, below the layers of plasma energies where the second drone found the cosmic particle, they activated its electromagnetic fields, creating a powerful attractor for the particles. The chamber hummed with energy as it began to draw in the elusive cosmic particles, capturing them within its confines. With the particles securely held in place, the team carefully maneuvered the storage device into position, ensuring it aligned perfectly with the containment chamber. Advanced robotics and remote-operated vehicles were employed to ensure precision in the delicate operation. As the storage device hovered next to the containment chamber, the team made the final adjustments to the electromagnetic fields. With a synchronized command, they activated the release mechanism, allowing the captured particles to flow into the storage device. As the particles entered the device, it hummed with energy, its core pulsating with the newfound cosmic power. The transfer process was a success, and the team watched with satisfaction as the storage device began to fill with the precious cosmic particles. With the particles safely stored, the team breathed a sigh of relief, knowing that they had taken a significant step towards harnessing the cosmic energy for the betterment of humanity. As the quantum magnetic energy storage device hovered in the void space, a sense of anticipation filled the air. However, the mood quickly shifted as signs of instability began to manifest. Initially, subtle fluctuations in the device's readings were observed, indicating that something was amiss. Hawk and his team exchanged worried glances as they monitored the situation, their brows furrowed in concern. Then, just as suddenly as it had begun, the instability intensified. The device's core, which had been pulsating with cosmic energy moments before, now flickered erratically, its once steady glow faltering. Alarms blared, flashing warnings of imminent danger as the internal systems struggled to maintain stability. The team sprang into action, frantically assessing the situation and attempting to pinpoint the source of the problem. Despite their best efforts, the instability persisted, growing more pronounced with each passing moment. It became evident that while the cordom within the device was capable of managing the intense heat generated by the cosmic energy, it was ill-equipped to handle the sheer magnitude of the energy pouring forth continuously. The relentless influx of cosmic power overwhelmed the device's internal mechanisms, causing them to falter and fail. As the situation reached a critical juncture, Hawk made the difficult decision to initiate an emergency shutdown procedure. With a heavy heart, he issued the command, and the device's systems powered down, bringing an abrupt halt to the instability. In the aftermath, the team regrouped, their minds buzzing with questions and concerns. It was clear that they would need to reassess their approach and devise a new strategy for containing and harnessing the cosmic energy. The journey ahead promised to be fraught with challenges, but Hawk and his team were determined to press on, driven by their unwavering commitment to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. With the setback fresh in their minds, the team set to work on reworking the quantum magnetic energy storage device. Their focus now shifted to finding a solution for safely releasing the energy unleashed by the cosmic particles. Gathered around their workstations, the team engaged in spirited discussions, brainstorming ideas, and considering various approaches to address the challenge at hand. Ideas flowed freely as they debated the merits of different strategies, weighing the risks and benefits of each potential solution. One proposal involved the development of specialized energy converters capable of harnessing the released energy and converting it into a usable form. These converters would serve as a buffer, absorbing the excess energy and converting it into a more manageable form that could be stored or redirected for practical applications. Another suggestion centered on the concept of dispersal mechanisms designed to scatter the released energy across a wider area to mitigate its impact. By dispersing the energy in this manner, the team hoped to minimize the risk of destabilizing the storage device and surrounding environment. As the discussions progressed, Hawk and his team delved deeper into the intricacies of their designs, refining their concepts and addressing potential challenges. They worked tirelessly, fueled by a shared determination to overcome the obstacles before them and forge a path forward. Finally, after days of intense collaboration and experimentation, the team arrived at a breakthrough. They had devised a novel solution that combined elements of both energy conversion and dispersal, offering a comprehensive approach to managing the released energy. Their solution involved the integration of sophisticated energy conversion modules within the storage device, coupled with advanced dispersal mechanisms positioned strategically around the device's perimeter. This dual-layered approach would allow the team to capture and convert the excess energy while simultaneously dispersing any remaining energy safely into the surrounding environment. With their plan in place, the team set to work implementing their solution, confident that they were on the verge of a breakthrough. As they worked tirelessly to bring their vision to fruition, they remained ever vigilant, mindful of the challenges that lay ahead. But with their ingenuity and determination driving them forward, they were prepared to face whatever obstacles came their way. With their new approach in place, the team embarked on another attempt to capture the cosmic particles using their refined quantum magnetic energy storage device. Equipped with sophisticated energy conversion modules and advanced dispersal mechanisms, the device stood ready to face the challenge once more. As the team initiated the capture procedure, tension hung thick in the air, mingling with an undercurrent of excitement and anticipation. Eyes fixed on their monitors, they monitored the device's progress with bated breath, ready to intervene at a moment's notice should any issues arise. Slowly but surely, the device sprang into action, its intricate mechanisms whirring to life as it deployed its array of energy conversion modules and dispersal mechanisms. With precision and efficiency, it began to draw in the cosmic particles, harnessing their energy while simultaneously dispersing any excess in a controlled manner. For hours, the team watched intently as the device operated flawlessly, its components working in perfect harmony to execute their carefully crafted plan. Gradually, the storage chambers filled with the captured cosmic particles, their energy safely contained within the confines of the device. As the procedure neared completion, a sense of relief washed over the team, tempered by a profound sense of accomplishment. They had succeeded where others had faltered, overcoming adversity through sheer determination and ingenuity. With the cosmic particles safely captured and contained, the team turned their attention to the next phase of their mission. Armed with their newfound knowledge and innovative technology, they stood ready to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos and usher in a new era of discovery and exploration. As the team carefully secured the quantum magnetic energy storage device containing the captured cosmic particles, a sense of excitement and anticipation filled the air. This breakthrough represented a monumental leap forward in their quest to solve the energy crisis that had plagued humanity for generations. With the device safely stowed aboard the Coram ship, the team prepared to embark on the journey back to Earth's surface. Each member felt a mixture of pride, relief, and determination as they contemplated the significance of their discovery and the potential impact it could have on the future of humanity. As the engines roared to life and the ship began its ascent from the depths of the Earth, the team looked out at the vast expanse of the void space around them, contemplating the wonders they had witnessed and the challenges that lay ahead. Despite the uncertainties that awaited them on their return journey, the team remained undeterred, their spirits buoyed by the knowledge that they had achieved something truly remarkable. With the cosmic particles safely in their possession, they set their course for home, eager to share their findings with the world and usher in a new era of prosperity and innovation. As the Coram ship soared through the void, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of humanity, the team looked forward to the future with renewed optimism and determination. For they knew that with perseverance, ingenuity, and a spirit of exploration, anything was possible. And with the power of the cosmic particles at their disposal, they were poised to change the course of history forever. As the Coram ship embarked on its journey back to the surface of the Earth, the crew members found themselves reflecting on the remarkable discoveries they had made during their expedition to the depths of the planet. Inside the sleek vessel, the atmosphere buzzed with a sense of anticipation and accomplishment. The crew members, each seated at their respective stations, monitored the ship's systems with focused intensity, ensuring a smooth and safe journey home. Outside the reinforced windows, the void space stretched endlessly, punctuated only by the occasional flicker of distant stars. The ship glided through the darkness with effortless grace, its powerful engines propelling it forward with steady determination. Despite the vast distances they had traversed and the challenges they had faced along the way, the crew remained steadfast in their resolve. They knew that their mission was far from over, and that the discoveries they had made would forever alter the course of human history. As the journey progressed, the crew members took turns observing the cosmic phenomena that surrounded them, marveling at the beauty and complexity of the universe. They shared stories of their adventures, exchanging ideas and theories about the nature of the cosmic particles they had captured and the implications of their discovery for humanity's future. Hours turned into days as the Coram ship continued its ascent toward the surface of the Earth. The crew members worked tirelessly, their focus unwavering as they navigated through the vast expanse of space, guided by the beacon of home that shimmered in the distance. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, the familiar sight of Earth's surface came into view, its vibrant hues of blue and green a welcome sight after their long journey through the void. Gathered around in the central command area of the Coram ship, Hawk addressed the team with a tone of solemnity, his words carrying a weight of caution and determination. "Team," he began, his voice steady and resolute, "our journey may have brought us back to the surface, but our mission is far from over. The discovery of the cosmic particle is a monumental breakthrough, but we must remain vigilant. We still have much to learn about its true nature and potential." As his words settled over the team, Hawk's gaze swept across each member, his eyes reflecting a sense of unwavering resolve. "That's why," he continued, "I propose we take the ship into our secret lab, where we can conduct further analysis and experiments in a controlled environment. This discovery could hold the key to solving the energy crisis, but we must proceed with caution." With nods of agreement and determination, the team members exchanged glances, their shared sense of purpose driving them forward. They knew that the road ahead would be fraught with challenges and uncertainties, but they were ready to face them head-on. As the Quorum ship veered off its course, heading toward the secret lab, hidden at an unknown location, which only Hawk knows, the team braced themselves for the journey ahead. They knew that their work was just beginning, and that the fate of humanity rested in their hands. This has been Cosmic Particle, Book 3 from the Core series, narrated by Nkennard. Copyright 2024 Nkennard. Production copyright 2024 by Nkennard. Audiobook partner Storydepths available only on YouTube.